You lead the way and powerly hearts with loving to every day. With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love.
Inception Learning Academy YouTube channel là kan lo ma cheu
With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night.
Vaya SMATEE kan exam kha tun kum chu mak deu main need in SMATEE question te kha ron changka nga om ang jok ta kania tuna SMATEE question on kal te pokha national level a te pokha ni ta se chon a om ve thawe tun kum need ne na compare tho chon te ro tam takin in exam double a in sia a har deu jok ti pomo chu kan analysis kan tana nga kan ti deu pomo bang o le ama sabera chuan as student observe protists around the protists are ciliary beating movement two nuclei ti kha ombo ka tro kha chiang two nuclei ti lo pok hen chiang kan soi thei chu permesium kha ni dona permesium kha tia na oma kha vek kha mul kha na sia ciliaria kan ti khamo kha ni don ta ni chuan 92 chuan tero amphibious nature amphibian of the plant kingdom kan ti how bryophytes ho kha enge an nature chan kan sa masabera chuan ti amphibian angan ni chan kan ti chuan tero first chuan aquatic ancestor algae ho khan nia chuan water dependent fertilization le khonge lehan oma gametophyte an ni wang ani lo vascular tissue nei lo flagellated sperm kan ti wang mo a b le e khan ni don ta ni kan soi dio popom o mai zan chu karon solo don mo di ka dia mo ma se mi dang te po mi non ti pui ve do na sial de me yin mo ami kha le scientists kan organism pani khan describe do na Felis tigris le Panthera tigris kha aron oma kha nge kan ti jon te ro hey Felis tigris le Panthera tigris ne chu hata khan enge no kha aron soya genus in anga an omlo Felis Panthera both organisms belong to same species poniro same species kan ti long jon genus and species in anga ngai te ro they belong to the same family only the name must be only one of the name must be incorrect di kha ni don ta ni mo khamika Felis tigris di kha adik chia lo wa chuan regarding male gametophyte in gymnosperm atia tero khami kha enge chu kan ti chuan tero carries male gamete to enter heredia ti ve kha chu kha chu ni lo form inside microsporangium ti te tero unmotile lo ti po kan sia a chuan develop from microspore mother cell microspore chuan chu mi zo pollen grain kan ti gametophyte kan ti kha tero en chu mi zo sporophyll are arranged on the strobili sporophyll tam deuh khan enge siam kan ti chuan strobili siam tero ani chuan answer tur chu tero b d le e khan ni don ta ni in a pinnately compound leaf the leaflet are arranged on kan ti chuan tero pinnately compound ni chuan tiana oma he leaflet ka thai he in hu thia banga cho alai hi enge kan ti chuan rachis kan ti kha ni mo a common exists called rachis kan ti kha mo a kha ni don ta ni so which of the following which sequence of flower opening is correct for race moss kan ti race moss kan ti chuan tero tama tangin a trowa a trau te zel he tama chuan trau mek kan ti kha mo upa no pang lian te ai chuan tero base apex atanga apex tero ni khan don ta ni chuan vascular bundle aron show hi enge aron tia hei radial ania hei afia lo an mo eng lo a khan radial ania hei close ania chuan hei open ania radial hi chu monocot le dicot a khan kan mu ru ta mo so open close to monocot ania open to dicot kan ti do no he ta ru ta khan tero monocot le dicot ru ta khan radial kha chu om ve kha ti kha sia thei don ta ni so mi question hi mi ron ti pui ve zuai turan oma an chemistry teacher thai yam sarma kan som la ka nge
like off road 98 na hian han entire enzyme chung chang khan ta which of the following cannot be overcome by increasing substrate concentration te masabera chonin enzyme le substrate kan ne enzyme kan ti chu biocatalyst khan ta enzyme plus substrate en reaction enzyme substrate complex he form phot ta thina ni amar chu enzyme structure khan entire enzyme structure khan in active site le allosteric site kan ne hela hi allosteric site ne hela hi active site of enzyme chun ta this one in inhibitor kan ne ni kemi enzyme activity lo ti buai the ki chu allosteric inhibitor kan ti kha ni chu allosteric inhibitor le enzyme no substrate ki ai compete ta thina ni affinity an nga na zok zok han beta thina tu da chuanin allosteric inhibitor kan diaw khan entira dan active site dan affinity halo nga view chuanin ava in bind date ta thina ava in bind date chuan dan allosteric inhibitor chu ava in bind date chuan enzyme ki activity nei lo siam theini chu da chu competition kha mani da chuanin non competitive kan tia hian allosteric le substrate hian compete ta thina amar chun non competitive kan tia he chuanin allosteric inhibitor kan tia hi allosteric site a hian in bind me this one substrate kan tia hi active site hian bind me chu wa chun asang ve a in bind to wangin substrate concentration a khi va increase mai la danglam na khom chuang lo ni chu ma chu wa chun tuna kan answer tur chun non competitive inhibition hin dol dinani separate site a substrate le allosteric inhibitor kan tia khi a in bind to wangin kimi substrate concentration can increase lo ki kian in enge danglam na vaka siam lo ti na ni ma hate khan chu
chamle me next agent which polysaccharide forms helical secondary structure ania helical secondary structure kan ti ka example to bania tero ha ka chu all sam me a heta starch kan ti khamo kha khani me don ta ni out hey a chemistry portion deu tero biomolecules la he sarma kan ti ve le nga
han one red na chuanin asar son reason type ani asar son kan nei jo saturated fatty acids are usually solid at room temperature te saturated te so double bond om lo ti na ne ti hian lo zek ta mai ta saturated da chuanin emol thian linear zokin thian zek ta la thian hi hydrocarbon chain lo ta se he hydrocarbon chain long ta se ki hydrocarbon chain a khianin deformation eng ma kha om lo ti khian linear in om thei ni chu mo double bonds devel khom lo wang chen linear in om the chu linear chain a chuan an kara hin in nei takin om thei don tin ki chain pani khi in nei takin om thei don tin ani ki hydrocarbon chain a khi ta chuan an in kar in nei ta ka om chuan van der Waals force kan ti kha a increase don tin ani van der Waals force or London dispersion force kan ti kha ni kha aron increase don tin ani chu London dispersion force or van der Waals force aron increase chuan mo ani kar force of attraction kha increase chuan molecules kha nget takin hold thei don tin ani chu wa chuan at room temperature solid ati hi chu adik tin an ta ni chu han en leta na saturated fatty acids contain no double bonds between carbon atoms tia saturated is on double bonds om lo kan te kha double bonds a chuan in enti a begin cis form in data hydrocarbon chain a khianin double bond lo om ta se a structure om dan tur chu ti hian an ta a chuan helai in kara hian in hei double bond awang hian kings an te teng hi void ang khalo om don tin ani a chuan khi chain pani in kara khian enge structure hin deformation kan ti mai dom ni kha tiang khalo om don tin ani diffuse shape ang deuh khalo nei don tin ani chu wa chuan in khi tiang condition a khian force of attraction ha ta hiam ta thina ni chu chu wa chuan in ani kara force of attraction tlak niam chuan adul don tina ni akhet tok don lo tina heart don lo tina structure kha chu wa chuan in double bonds ang chi a khi chuan intermolecular force of attraction kha tla hiama saturated ta chuan in van der Waals force ha increase awangin a solid thei this one reason r in the saturated fatty acid contain no double bonds ati khian I explain ta chi tina chungami khi chu asan tuna kan sar tur chu a both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation ti khi kan sar tur sun don tina ne
no me sama so like 101 and 1 ATP and NADH are needed to fix one molecule of carbon dioxide in Calvin cycle C3 akhan tero I CO2 ka fix tur kha enzyme mo ti top kha ne chu kan shavek arenga 3 molecules of ATP le 2 molecules of NADPH ti kha kami kha cycle complete tur kha mo angai ve kha so next one tero photorespiration does not produce ATP or NADPH kan dia adigani asan chu photorespiration shimshimi kan soi thin dana po wasteful kan ti thin kha tero C4 ho te khan efficient kan ti chan te khan ni thin C3 I khan so photorespiration is oxygenation of RUBP by rubisco ti kha khami kha ainon tran na tur kha ni ta ni adik ve ve a amaro chu energy produced so chan kha a reason can explain zo empty kha ni ta ni mo energy produced so chan kha chu dole ATP CM lawa te po ti se te kha mo dik zok don ta ni statement hi chu dik ve ve ka tia amaro chu an explain ko chu thu dang dei is not the correct explanation ka ti dei don ta ni so le he tero a diagram a hian hemi A B C D kha englo tur kha in ta A akhian enge oma B akhian enge B electron carrier niam ti velte proton channel ti vel kha ni noi kha tero he hi nge kan ti chuan electron transport chain kan ti khana chu nge kan A chu NADH dehydrogenase a omanga tero chuan B kha ubiquinone tero khami kha electron carrier tur ania chuan D kha cytochrome oxidase cytochrome ania tero chuan D a chuan cytochrome oxidase complex ania khami kha da hankal me don ta ni lemma khan chiang takina oma chuan mismatch zon tur ania gibberellins chungchang vek ania gibberellins kha enge kan sia chuan tero gibberella fujicoroi ti te po kha kan recall theyanga heta hen obang lo ber chu he ni me don ta ni gibberellins inhibition of seed germination gibberellin hi promoter ania thil kha a inhibit emo a slow down emo ti kha omngai vak lo khami na kha chu abscisic acid na ania mo he hi adik lo a mismatch chu ni don ta ni seed germination kha atimwa ngai lo a stop ngai lo mo kha so next a chuan he a question here flowchart here around that or W X Y Z adia chuan chu A B C D kha aron ti le confusing deuh le ka chuan match the following ang khan aron la kal zui bok ta I tel a all sam dang khan ti mei ta ila he apia a compound le apia enzyme ho hi a related enzyme ho kha tian max the me la kha all sama dik thei do don ta ni khami khani chuan tero 3 phosphoglycerate chu heta phosphoglycerate kinase ania tero fructose 6 phosphate chu heta point ha fructokinase kan ti khani do na chuan true phosphoglycerate chu hoeniang glycerol mutation yang chuan 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate chu enolase kha kami a related enzyme kha ni deuh mai don ta ni kami kha a question hi A B C D T se dik mai thei tiang tur ve khamo amak em ani chuan le non-cyclic photophosphorylation differ from cyclic photophosphorylation because it produces ATP, NADPH le O2 aba kha chu ai ang tlang pu aba chin ang ka thelo ma se hi kha dang lam na lian deuh kha ni amo energy a produce so ti ve kha so le coral khan tiro plant produce a large amount of abscisic acid khane abscisic acid is stress hormone anti khane coral chuan stress a om don ta ni mo so most direct effect of this hormone so e kan ti chuan tiro stomata khar kha ngai don ta ni coral chuan stomata kharanga stomata khar chuan transpiration alo om lovanga transpiration alo om lo chuan water kha an loss don lo ni mo so FADH2 is produced during conversion of H2O some succinate atanga fumarate anin convert don khan tero khalaya khan FADH2 kha ve ta ni pollen grain in the diagram is large sticky hitok sticky ani chuan insect achan chu insect ho taksa khan lo be a bedanga an pukwal don ta ni mo kha so a plant reject pollen from the same genotype ama po kha ain ngei lo kan ti ang chi khamo kha ni don ta ni chu self incompatibility khamo kha saron pari nei ta tero saron te chu ti la dik theo mai te enge kha midum pari nei ta midum pang pari nei ta akhalaya pollen le stigma kha ain mil lo kha ti ang chi khamo self incompatibility kan tia chon le hei thil thleng vak lo ni ma se ka chia thiam na tang kha enge thleng theyang ti kha ni ta if both male gametes generative nucleus le egg kha infuse ta se what would most enge thleng ang ti kha ni don ta ni mo generative nucleus le egg kha in lo chuan tero zygote kha 3n ani don ta ni 3n chung chang kha soi me lo ter ta hian ma se hemi pakhat hi thil danga tan kan ma mo si ni hemi pakhat le polar nuclei pahnih an infuse chuan endosperm a in siam don ai cho hi om lo chuan endosperm kha in siam thei don lo ha si kha ni me don ta ni plant species ahan diploid number 24 ania chuan embryo developed by parthenogenesis from a reduced egg reduce 24 kha i chromosome number ania meiosis in a reduce sak che chuan engza nge ni don som pahnih ai chuan parthenogenesis chuan som pahnih chu pun thu om to lova atlem thu po om to lova chuwang chuan som pahnih ani don ta ni mo le nuclei in normal dicot embryo second diatero answer chu 322 ahnuaya egg cell synergid pahnih egg cell ania alaya polar nuclei pahnih achunga antipodous pathum 322 A mutation causes pollen tube to burst before reaching the embryo sac. Which process is most directly prevented? Directly prevented at the other pollination because of dei to lom kita stigma khan tero kha pollen po germinate dei to so ne seed formation le singami hi effect ani ma se directly ati awang khan singami kha effect in a direct male le female infused tur kha so hi chu seed formation hi chu in directly tero so le statement le assertion le reasoning the zygote divides mitotically to form proembryo dikbe pangai tero zygote is diploid and undergo meiosis to restore haploid condition diklo don ta ni ngate kan ti chon haploid zygote kha han ngai to ta ula keipo zygote tanga ron chuak ania thil nung sim zygote tanga ron chuak chhovel kha nia tero true and kan ni tlang pui ta ni hangai to ta ula zygote kan ni lai khan in meiosis te lang chon haploid vek kan niang tero khami kha enge in meiosis kan ti chuan zygote ni lovin germ cell trin kha tero chu answer chuan adik lo kha kan thang don ta ni mo c kha a dika r dik lo Which of the following is true about exine? Exine kan soi chon pollen tube pollen grain ania tero pollen grain kan soya not true ati chuan tiro engen yang true ati germ pore pollen exine kan ti kha tiro khami kha exine kan ti kha discontinuous at germ pore anta exine kha om veka mase exine spore pollen in omlo na like a germ pore zel ani don ta emo number of seeds in bean is an example of so example ron pek top kha ne mo polygenic inheritance a dominant state omlova a additive ngai kan ti themo khatia ang ji kha khatia ang simple example top kha ni ta ni chan people ta khan tero ti lian oma ti te oma heterozygous kha and self chuan za sumruk ani don ta enge aron zon kan ti chuan dwarf engzat nge ni aron ti ta ka chok chin don ta ni tero ti lian ti te ti lian ti te ti anyanga tian yanga tian hey dwarf kha ni ta tero za sumruk ka chuan 25% to 25 by 100 into 160 ni tero hey ka tianga 4 ni anga tero hey ni chuan 40 kha ni mai tero 1182 a kha ni don ta ni chuan statement supports the chromosome theory of inheritance the chromosome theory of inheritance chungchanga aron soya tero genes are located on the chromosome the klapa chromosome occurs in pair in diploid organism kan ti kha tero chuan chromosome segregate during meiosis kan ti kha tero chungla man pot chawa noila man pot thla ti te om kha chuan he hele chromosomal theory of inheritance ron chwa chan kha mendelian factor ne kha a in correspond that ema wang kha ani ta ni mo khami kha ani jon detail lo zong kan tiang ai chuan a b c ani ang tero hey do not parallel ati la da chuan a child suffers from severe anemia requiring repeated blood transfusion hey poimo absence ati hian beta thalassemia majority khamo ha asia te nga awesome te in amika which of the following is not correct about VNTR variable number tandem repeats kan ti ang chi khamo mini satellites anya they show variation in number of repeats ania tero chuan nu le pa te trying kan inherit theya chuan they are highly conserved in ti kha tero conserve kan ni lo shim organism shang hai anglo na salo to VNTR micro mini satellites kan ti ho khamo khami ni wang khan answer chuan c kan ti don ta ni so during DNA replication if ligase is inhibited but all other enzymes are functional what is likely to happen ligase kan ti chu thil char tu kha ania tero enge a char don okazaki fragment kan ti angchi te kha toi te kha tero kha khai don ta ni ai chuan lagging strand a khan okazaki fragment kha lo oma kha ten toi bung te na ron in siam kha char be angai khami kha ligases ina thil ti turania kha ligases kha a inhibit chuan okazaki fragment bung toi te kha a in char don lo ni mo hei chu kan sia ang tero khat ni thum li hian avain proline hi engtin nge a code thei kan ti chuan hi the code is degenerate tero kha ni kha overlapping te non overlapping chu ti kha ti universal kan ti te po tero om kha ma se a degenerate kan ti khamo Hershey and Chase experiment khala en don ta tero DNA is genetic material ti kha ni don ta hey so ang tu ka ma se eng tin moni khan aron twist squal vel ti na khan radioactivity detected inside bacteria when phosphorus 32 was used kha ni tero wa experience khan phosphorus 32 kha bacteria ania so a supernatant na khan enge 35 as sulfur kha tero kha ni le don ta ni ai chuan a le d kha answer tur ami kha me jumo a experiment a athil man ve shim kha ni me cha hi gene expression ti vel chung chang lack operon chu ti kha ti vel kha ni don ta ni a lack repressor chu anyanga tero binds to operator preventing transcription anyanga lack operator chu heta anyanga tero chuan promoter chu heta polymerase na bind na anyanga chuan z gene chu beta galactosidase enzyme ina aron englo la kha tero a encode ati chuak tu tur kha khami gene kha z chuan le eukaryotic gene a khan tero intron kha bacteria a ida chuan enge niang intron chu enge kan DNA a khan eng ma code lo thil tam tak kha oma kha bacteria da chuan eng ma thleng don lo ani chuan no functional protein will be formed. Not correct about Down syndrome ati. Down syndrome chu aneuploidy ani. 21 ani. Pero 21 tekati. True n plus 1. Pero chromosome number 21 na. Chuan non-disjunction ani a mutation of single gene wang ni lo. Pero so which of the following is mismatch rhizobium chu root nodula omti chu kan chianga zoospirillum po frankia po ni tero heng ho zong hi adik veka example ni arum provide nen khian so azotobacter pui hi enge kan ti chuan this is a free living kan tia tero root nodul chu wa khan om thei do don lo ani wang khan di kha adik lo kan tianga mi te kha. So what fraction of herbivore energy is available to the next trophic level for carnivore? Tero rabbit a oma tero achunga sakei omta se rabbit energy omzat ka sakei engzak nge chanang. Tero energy ka engzai kan loss thin kha za a som gwa kan loss ani kan om me po pang tilung kan nei chung chu energy kan loss kan ti kha ani chuan som ko bak energy kha za a som chia kha tero khami ha kan chang kan ti don tero het lai carnivore dang in a le po ni se za som tho kan chang don ni chuan le hey biological ecosystem ti kan ecosystem tero carrying capacity khoilai ammonia a lengchin maximum size he ta khoilai ammonia lengchin ania intrinsic rate to population density chuan population density to individual per unit. Pero kem khada mi zan kem khat biala mi zan ti te. Environmental resistance to limiting factor. Cho te po ni theya, tui te po ni theya, in te po engkim te po ni thei. A true before. Kong a true before A true before C3 D1. Kadero ha answer dani. So, which of the following statements are correct? Atiatero, competition occur only between species of different trophic level. Atia hey dictate lo tero trophic level anga again yang different care kha ngai lo a same ba po khana the ani mo competition may occur even if resources are abundant. Adik lo tuk tero engi kha kelle satel ani kha competitive principle kha Gauss's anaron ti chhuak Gauss's principle of competitive achak lo jok chu pet chhuak an ni don kan ti khamo species may evolve adik lo tok ai joy answer to BCD competition ha omreng ta se tero evolve de yang achak jok ni du wang khan tero mi kha ai joy B C and D mo commensalism pakhatin a hlok puya pakhatin engketan ma angai lo engkin ma om lo tero hetia thil pakhat om me kha midangina lo hlok pui em kha commensalism kan ti tropical forests show higher extinction risk after deforestation kan ti chuan that an om nei an nuam lu tu ka mo I khulai I tropical rainforest kan ti a englo ang ho ko an om na shim khu a engen yang a condition ku a stable la ting me yang ti boy ni lo chong khami ni wang khan enge mo problem mo chete te lo om khan helo narrow range of tolerance lum dewe mo niam dewe mo tia khan an boy me chin ta ni pero gross primary productivity is total rate of photosynthesis including organic matter used in respiration gross kan ti chu a fai tak zet kha biomass mo energy an siam kha net primary productivity represents biomass stored in green plant available to consumer hey po dik lu tok tero hey net kan ti zeli kan a tero ala chong bang net kha ke ma ni consumer how til shing a ho pon kan a kha nia primary productivity depends on light temperature water the po dika tero productivity in ocean is highest near the surface mate productivity in ocean highest near the surface asan chu eng atama ala lumbok chuan desert show high primary productivity due to availability of sunlight no primary productivity kha atlem chan chu desert a chuan hnim kha an tlem lu tuka primary productivity kha atam theilo ni eng chu tam na ro mai tero hati kha khan ta answer a chuan kan tiang a b c d khong a b c n d kha ni ta ni mo so next a chuan tero leads to biodiversity decline ti ania so kan ti chuan tero ngen yang a om ang vek tero om ang lo ber kha ania ma se tero natural selection kha decline lawa select ka tha kha thang kha ni ta so option kan enanga kan en kha ngai ta ni co extinction evil qualitative ania tero deforestation ania so introduction of new species alien species kan ti khan exotic species a om sa ta na la om kha ni mei chuan urbanization point om ve de ore thaw ma se textbook a soilem lo wang khan tero a b le c kha kan ti don ta ni mo chu c kha o chuan ore yo te kan break lo kang o
With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love. ILA, empower weary minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. Through academic excellence, we'll lead the way, empowering hearts with knowledge every day. From classrooms to communities, we'll make a change. With academic rigor and a heart that ranges. From coast to coast, we'll stone's pride and our people's future one. IRA, empowering minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. So academic excellence, you lead the way, empowering hearts with knowledge every day. ILA, where curiosity meets innovation, building a brighter future with education. ILA, ennobling minds. With love and compassion, you'll shine. So academic excellence, you lead the way, empowering hearts.
และ quiz kind of ช่างมั้ง all เตะนี่ค่ะที่เราการใน fair เนี่ย first trypoblastic animals are ให้จะสวยพงไงกระริ่งเราที่เราอันนี้ก็พูดพวกให้เรียกมาพอนี่คือเสีย text เดียง transitional epithelium present are subjected to stress condition area subjected to stress condition เนี่ยที่เราข้า ending epithelium ข้าอารมณ์ของที่จอนที่เรา it can stretch and modify its shape because of stress ที่เรา stress เขาจะอัน adjust อันเสียบเรียนเบสงๆข้างไงอ่ะเขามีดีวังข้าอันเราฝันเดียวแต่อัน modify เดียวที่ข้างไงเนี่ยที่เรามีคันโดนตาจะให้เสียสักกระคันไอ้โดนตาหน้าเริ่มตัวข้าเนี่ยที่เรากันเอ็นวังกันเอ็นวังโดนตานี่จวนเลยอามาสับเบอร์จวนกัน homologous chromosome ค่ะอันรอนเปรังอาเตโรจวนจุมจวจวนhomologous chromosome ค่ะก็เชียเอ็ม same gene but different allele กันที่อันรอนเปรังอาจวน equatorial plate อะ metaphase อะ one two equatorial plate อะ metaphase อะอันรอนอมังอาจวนจุมจวจวน homologous chromosome เตค่ะอาจารย์เวียจุงละมันปวดชาวงาอาจารย์เวียหน่วยละมันปวดขดอนจู่ๆ3อันยังอ่ะจนจู่ๆอันนู้เฟ่อะเดี๋ยวเฟสอาคารอันคอยลิงอ่ะอมดอนจู่ๆ4ไอ้จนเดี๋ยว CBDA CBDA myogenic heart involve origination of heartbeat by specialized muscle in fishอันนี้สปอยนี่เวทีเดียวเราหลังเข้ามาใช้ develop เราตัวก็มั่วเขาก็จะ specialize วักเราและ counter current mechanism กันตีส่วน vasa recta เตะเนี่ยค่ะ loop of Henle กันตีเด็กขันใช่ไหมเดี๋ยว loop of Henle ที่จะมีเมริกาใช้สวักรุมเทีย loop of Henle ที่กุมจวนเดียวทอมตีตัวเนี่ยจนเนี่ยขณะข้างเองต่างกันตีส่วนเดี๋ยว concentration of urine ต่างกันอีกตอนต่างเนี่ยเฮ้ที่ข้านะออกมาเดี๋ยวเฮ้แต่ collecting ดักก็ออกมาเดี๋ยวจังcollecting ดักก็จังตุยหีบส่วนเลยข้างง่าย concentrate ต่างกันเดี๋ยวขมิ้นฟังกัน concentration of urine กันตีอย่างส่วนเลย match the following ตัวเป็นเนี่ย bony fish เฮ้ยอันที่ไปชัวขโมยค่ะ cockroach to urico เนี่ย shark to urio เดี๋ยวขมิ้นค่ะ nitrogenous waste อันไปชัวนั่งค่ะนี่ไหมโอ้จู่ๆ 1A B through C 3B A เดี๋ยว a pregnant woman is Rh negative ภาษาจู่ Rh positive อันเนี่ยส่วน baby ค่ะน้องเด็กค่ะ Rh positive อันเนี่ยเดี๋ยวส่วน a mother ค่ะ Rh negative เอา Rh immunoglobulin ค่ะถ้ามี antibody ค่ะเราอมแล้วเดี๋ยวถ้ามีว่าให้ให้น้องกันติดส่วนเดี๋ยวอมอังเบอร์ตัวจู่ the mother immune system will produce antibody against the baby RBC อาจารย์สุ mother เองเราตั้งกันส่วนเดี๋ยวเขามีค่ะเองเนี่ย antigen อ่างข้างนั้น treat ค่ะง่ายเขามีวางค่ะ antibodies ค่ะอัปเปกง่ายอาจารย์สุอะไรเช่นเทียมเวทแต่เรานู RBC มั้งRh factor กันที่อังคันและ urea is chief nitrogenous waste excreted by human อันนี้เดี๋ยวอดีตส่วนได้เห็นมั้งกับเสียทั่วกี่ปวดอีกแล้ว highly toxic ดีค่ะนี่แค่เราhighly toxic ดีค่ะนี่แค่เราจู่ฟังส่วน X กันที่อังไอ้ส่วน A ดีค่ะ R ดีเรา A ดีค่ะ R ดีเราจู่ question number C which of the following are correctly matched at the other cerebellum thermoregulation respiration yeah signal hypothalamus body temperature B C D this one B the first heart sound coincides with this one. The closing of atrioventricular valve. During muscle contraction, calcium binds to troponin ค่ะนี่ไม่โดนตานี่ A runner's vital capacity is measured before and after training. It increases significantly. Which changes most likely contribute to this improvement? Kan ti so ang yang increase in inspiratory and increase in respiratory and expiratory or reserve volume. Pero mi ka ni don ta ni a reserve volume ka lo tam tio ka atak sa lo adjust ti na ni chmo a ha awang kan. So cretinism is due to it occurs due to deficiency of thyroid hormone during infancy and causes impaired physical and mental development and so increased BMR nilova can be prevented by adequate intake of iodine. Pero ani chuan A B le D ka ni don ta ni Miso tiro facts direct straight facts fact niya tiro. Mikani don tani. Klinefelter syndrome is due to presence of extra chromosome, copy of X chromosome leading to individual having 47. Klinefelter tu ni tiro. Ahai don ta. So an individual is a female and has overall nilo tiro. Individual is a male and has overall feminine development. Ay zon tiro R ka diglaw kan ti don ta ni mo. Heta kan. Oocyte maturation. Wrong statement. Metaphase. First polar body is diploid. Kanti katero kami kain donta. First polar body poka meiosis 1. Nuaron so kanya meiosis 1 akan diploid to haploid kala to wangin. First polar body should be haploid. Kani donta ni. Transport of sperm cells. Ina nga tiro, seminiferous tubules sa trangin, testis, ania, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens le urethra. Ito may tiro, kami ka, sperm rongkal na ka ni may, koi chokit na marongkal, koi nga top TV, kami ka. A woman decides to have tubectomy, which change will occur in the body. Tubectomy kanti so ka in siam kanti kamo miso trangin, may siya po in siam teya, mi babo in siam te kanti chin ka ni tani. Inget hingang kan ti chuan tiro hormone will affect don ova menstrual cycle po ti boy don ova chuan ova kha akal kong ova ti meyang tiro kami kha akal kong kha an tro na wang or an kat wang khan heta uterus kha thleng don lo tiro mi kha se hormone le dang ka chul pa ngai vek don. Transgenic animal by introducing human growth hormone gene directly into fertilized ovum. The method must ensure precise delivery of DNA into the nucleus without using a vector. Which technique would be most appropriate? At yatero, kami kaangyan idong kanti chuan micro injection kanti ang sikha tero into a fertilized ovum kanti. Ta fertilized ovum akan uluk te in kami kamo anzo englaw don. Bialistic ti se so tero ang kap darvek may tin tero kha chu siat lawa ti ang chi te po kha. Not a method for MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Now titlak kania. Now titlak dan nilaw chu lactational amenorrhea kani dan. Lactational amenorrhea kan ti chu tero nu nu te again yang now dan na. Now dan na law. Now nei tur dan na. Po nilaw ngaro. Now in siam tur dan na. Contraceptive ani me contraceptive device pakha khania dero khami kha nu in now anei nu kha anu te tui omlai kha chuan a hormone level te kha dero ania ma chu ti kha ti nia chon khalaya te khan sex sampan thei viau ti kha ni me Machine show 5% recombination. This indicates 5% recombination to chuan dero 5% recombination, 95% parental. Ani John tero parental atam John tero ay niyang they are far they are far apart kanti kamo hakani don tani. Parental at chwa nem chuan ngoro parental at chwa nem chuan closely linked an nailu tuk zok ti na mo khakhani don ta ni so it's one of me so ne polypeptide of 30 amino acid is mutated at the 15 ni som pangana ain englova som pangana UA kha UAG a lo changa chang polypeptide che kha eting elo omang UA kha UAG o chang chuan UAG kha chu stop codon kha ni me atero so ama stop codon siar tel lo khan exam nge kan ti chuan 14 amino acid kanti kamo haza khalo in siam vedon tinani lagging strand is synthesized discontinuously. Which of the following is not the reason? Two strands of DNA are antiparallel. Lagging strands sungchang soilo shim. DNA polymer hay pui adik chu diga te ro ma se lagging strand kha a discontinuous chan kha soi lem lawa chuan en lo is not the reason. Lagging strand is synthesized discontinuously. Which of the following is not the reason? Lagging strand ka a discontinuous lo chan ni lo ami. Which of the following is not the reason for this statement? Atia tero not the reason. Adik lo ber niang zo tero I'm relate lo ni lovin. Ani chuan tero helicase blocks the movement of polymerase. I don't know tani. Correct answer. Dik bear tur ang chu lagging strand ka discontinuous in synthesize chan chu 5 prime to 3 prime ang aya tero bung te synthesize also 5 prime to 3 prime ka lagging strand na thailo tero kami helicase tivel kha ni lo tero C kha ni don tani. BT crop bacillus thuringiensis crop kha ta ya tangkai kan ti chuan tero BT ni chuan thilin an lo e anga chuan thil e tu te kha an thi anga ti kha ni ta a ani chuan pesticides kha kan mang claim don tero pesticides of a spray kha ngai to lo a plant ta han pesticides natural pesticides kha omlok sa vek ADA kha lo nei ta tero chuan doctor khan lymphocyte kha an la chhuwa ka chuan ADAG nan da a chuan kha retroviral vector mangin nau pang kha an da lut le ta ni that me lutuk ase kha boi thlak na om kha enge kan ti chuan tero a T lymphocyte kha anung reng lo T lymphocyte khan thi chin ane ya a thi chin a chuan a gene ken tel kha a ho vek don ani chuan lymphocyte have a short lifespan kha ani don ta ni mo khami kha hemi lymphocyte an da du chuan tero he ta bone marrow a te po khan tero zuk englo se tero ti kha a dai rei thei man ha ama se lymphocyte pa nga da ani kha chuan lymphocyte om chung chia khan a gene kha anei thei don mo neurotransmitter function and perception hei chu hallucinogen perception ti po khan tero chiang hal reng tero hallucinogen kan ti khan don ta ni. Which statement best explain differences between humoral and cell mediated? Humoral a kha chuan tero B cell an manga cell mediated a chuan T cell an manga hei chu chiang reng tero mi kha ri don ta ni. Both use antibodies po kha dik lo tero B kha antibodies amanga T kha chuan mani T kha an ti thin ni kha chuan origin from the thymus se dik lu to ke tero both attack infected cells directly training direct lo ti kha ni kha subtopic a kal don tero khami kha chu ani chuan difference explain chiang ber thei chu humoral chu B cell ania antibody te cell mediated chu T cells kan ti khamo CD8 te CD4 te kha hey need question ne hai ang lai leng khop me te ron copy mane moti me tur kha nia hey in na sheve ka nga te ro australopithecines te oma ramepithecus te chuan homo erectus te oma te ro hey sha o salo chu ro heter ai tran don lo shim shim khong e tiang atang hian ramepithecus se mo dryopithecus atang kha na in tran kha ngai don ani chuan te ro kat enanga australopithecines homo erectus cái question này không về hi cái anh thuốc đúng không? Tiếng hi Homo sapiens nua hi anh cái tiếng hi om mà sẽ ta trang hiền anh em ang atero hay chuan đi khai ni mấy đòn erectus le habilis trang ha siat theya hey Homo sapiens zo he cho Neanderthal chu dik thei lo shim shim ma se answer o bang ber chu di kha ni me don ta ni hi kan type swala moni le LH surge occurs earlier than usual LH khan engen ti luteinizing hormone kan ti khan dero he ta ovulation ate khan ai jon te ovulation kha kan thlen tu tur kha nia tero khami kha aron early cho enge thleng don early ovulation. Altero early din na nangi. Zona pellucida prevent polyspermy. Pero adika. Chuan it thickens after entry of one sperm body. Pero ข้าสปาร์มตามตะกินเอ็กเซลข้าหล่นฟอร์ติไลซ์ลอยจวนติโรอินเปียงสวนสมมติตั้งติโรอินเมลเชฟเวียวังมาเสข้าเทนเหล่านั้นขันสปาร์มประคัดอัลลูเวลขันโซนเปลุสิดาข้าอัดดาร์ตาติโรอัดดาร์เจ้าที่อัชาอารอนชาตาจวนข้ามีขันสปาร์มดังหล่นลูตูร์ข้าอับล็อกตาเดียนี่จวนติโรมีขันนี่โดนตาไอ้จวน explain กันที่โดนBasmati rice patented by foreign company through though such variety have been present in India for a long time ข้าติโรคอยไลคอมพานีซาบรัมคอมพานีมุนิขันเรา patent ได้ตาเสียติโรข้าเงี้ยอมเสียเทกันที่จุดติโรอารูปตีนักขันโดนตานี่จุดเงี้ยกันที่จวน biopiracy กันที่ขันเนี่ย ethno-medicinal กันที่อังซีแต่พอเมื่อที่อังเฮา tribal knowledge อาจารย์ดำโดยอันที่อังซีแต่พอฮีคอมพานีเลียนเดวินกันผู้ชวนนี้รันที่เสียเองเนี่ยยังรถประเด็นเรื่องว่าเสกที่อังจีค่ะ biopiracy กันที่มั้ง cancer จุงจ้างอ่ะ true อันที่เรา cancer in contact inhibition นั่นเองในเราอัตราดาร์ทเองเท่ H oncogenic viruses include hepatitis B ดิกตรอจวน apoptosis at normal rate ดิกลาวาจวน common UV radiation กันที่ขาดแต่รอนี่สรุปตุกเดปขันเองเราเทแต่รอ UVA UVB เนี่ย ultraviolet เที่แบคทีเรียเล่ microorganism ฐานันเดปขันบางชิ้นจวนล้อมตุกขันอยู่ตรงวัดไหมอาจารย์ BDE 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 จะให้ห่วงแต่ละทิ้งหล่นหน้าเดี๋ยว cells performing active transport have large number of mitochondria ที่ข้าอันติดซาส่วนบางส่วนแต่เรา ATP ข้าอันมาหมด ATP มาหมดเนี่ยส่วน mitochondria เขาทำไม่รู้เสีย active transport requires energy in the form of ATP อดีตแต่เราเขามีค่าอดีตครับส่วนพวกพวกไอ้เราแต่เรา ATP อันมาหมดอันน้อย ATP อันมาหมดThe hormone that regulates circadian rhythmไงกันที่สุดกัน daily rhythm ข้านี่ไม่ตลอดเขามีค่ากับมัวกับเท่าว่าโจกับกับดีส่งค่าตลอดถ้าอย่างเดียวข้านี่ไม่เท่ข้ากันที่จวนเมลาโทนินมั้งข้านี่โดนตานี่ SA node is present between between นี่เรา on the right atrium ตลอด sinoatrial node กันที่อังกฤษค่ะ broadleaf blood leave the glomerulus through efferent arteriole ตลอดมีใครโดนตาเนี่ยเฮ้ยตั้งแต่ตลอด efferent นี่ส่วนเรามองจุดหมดตลอด during depolarization which ion moves inside the neuron มันจะน่าตัวมันดินมินที่บัวใช่ไหมที่ละเห็น which ion move inside อันนี้จวนตลอดโซเดียมข้านี่โดนตานี่ตลอดเกข้า move out มีตีเวกันบ่อยตลอด SMATEE อารมณ์ช่วงนี้นิดมาขันเอเนียลูตาเกช่วงกันตีเวคำว่าจะอาจารย์สิขาเราอินทักเล่เฮ้ยอันลักชวนน่ะอังโจงอินอารมณ์ตีนี่มั้งตลอดเฮ้ยไอ้ชวน gluconic acid penicillium amylase aspergillus อันยังcyclosporin ค่ะ trichoderma ตลอดส่วน statins ค่ะ monoscas purpurea สถิตโดนตาเนี่ยข้าจะเองเราบอกให้เรา A4 B3C2D1 genotype of a husband is IAI IAB among the blood type of their children how many different genotypes and phenotypes are possible อารมณ์ที่แต่เราถ้าจะกัน cross 10ไม่โดนตานี่ IAI ก็จะซีรีส์งตีก็เทียมเวลาว่าเทียมปูเน็ตสแควร์ที่ออลเบอร์กันที่ IAB IBI IAI AB B A O phenotype pali genotype pakhat pani pathum pali four genotype four phenotype. Tero. A gene introduced into a vector that enables the identification of recombinant cell by conferring resistance to specific antibiotic is called selectable marker. Hey, again yang kan gene transfer kha tero ain transfer hlot lingem alo pung hlot lingem ti kan en theina tur kha selectable marker kan ti ang chi khan mo khami kha PBR322 kan ti ang chi te po kha. Which statement correctly explain why PCR leads to exponential amplification? Newly formed DNA act as a template. True DNA molecules are produced from one after each cycle. DNA ligase join Okazaki fragment. Amplification depend on primary. Hey, which statement correctly explain why PCR leads to amplification? Okazaki fragment trangkai lova amplification primary specificity. One newly formed DNA template true DNA molecule are produced from one after each cycle. Exponentially in alo pungze langa chon rei lo te tam tak lo omei don ta ni A and B. Anoi mi po hi ni ve teu tho mo di lo hi chama se so exponential amplification tang han trangkai lem lo. Hey hi sewage treatment khan anaerobic digestion of sludge atangkha enge lo chuak kan ti chuan hey methane kha ka zong don hey methane tero so oxygen tel lo thei lo bura methane carbon dioxide hydrogen sulfide kan ti khamo biogas gobar kan ti ang chi ta po khan. Release of sperm in the lumen of spermation. Tero awala han ay siama so I'm sure don khan and release ka spermation. 178. Which of the following are true for ELISA? Tero antigen antibody reaction. Ania enzyme link immunosorbent assay ka color change. Ania amplifies DNA lampang engma trangkai lova used in HIV detection. Tero kami kain don tani. Tra M ai chuan A B le D. Man lai HIV detection atira chuan hmu haran ti vel ang chi te po kha tero kha ang chi te po kha ELISA kha chuan claimin aron reduce dewa ngen yang accuracy rate kha aron ti sang viao chang ka mo. Ganga action plan and Yamuna action plan tero khami kha ni ta bal drop zia kha chu kan sia tero TV te po kan mu thina engkim me kha an pai kha ni de me tero bong hu te atanga bong hu te lo zong zong te po kha an pai thina no ha te ang zong zong kha ani lo chok soi chok ale action plan kha tero Yamuna action plan ai mi unholy river kha ti thiang lim kha ngai ve sia tero bolo kha pai to su ti rong kha zia lo wa kha da han project kha lo oma chu chu kan ti chuan sewage reng kha tuya pai lu to lo tur tero khami kha ni don ta ni ole there is no cell division involved in spermiogenesis tero mi te ve kha ni ol tero Baji hi tun trum hi higher technical how in tifu ve tero he ai he a question hi apa ngai em ni state level a po claim in ama a question how lu tu le option how lu tu ang chi khan on ti bo ta a om ang deu deu an da ve ka ba ka tu kum need question lo how kum ani nen tero khami kha need question a in SMATEE question hi a hard ti la kan soi solo me te tero ha ni ro se ale ndu to phadang o
full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love. ILA, empower willing minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. Through academic excellence, we'll lead the way, empowering hearts. classrooms to communities will make a change. With academic rigor and a heart that ranges from coast to coast, we'll notice some pride and our people's future. What? IRA empowering minds with love and compassion of shine. So academic and rest, you lead the way, empowering us this Blind Children Day. ILA, where curiosity meets innovation, building a brighter future with education. ILA, empowering minds, there's no than compassion, your shine. So academic excellence, you lead the way, empowering hearts with knowledge every day. With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love. ILA, empowering minds, with love and compassion we'll shine. Through academic excellence, we'll lead the way, empowering hearts with knowledge every day. From classrooms to communities, we'll make a change. With academic rigor and a heart that ranges from coast to coast, we'll notice some pride and our people's future. What? IRA empowering minds with love and compassion of shine. So academic excellence, you lead the way, empowering us this Blind Children Day. ILA, where curiosity meets innovation, building a brighter future with education. ILA, empowering minds, there's no every day. With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love. ILA, empower willing minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. Through academic soul.
Le hey voina SMATEE question kanon analyze le dona chemistry sarwa manen an chan nga le mo pom me nga ke ni chu chuan pen hi asing nge kan phang le tur ani le hemi question hi ron diklo hal panga molarity ron pe a ma sela solvent ve karon petani molarity ron soi reng reng chuan solvent ni lawin solution ani ha o kan en tur le calm down molarity formula kan nei so number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter ti kerani kha masela heta hian solvent ve karon petani chuwang chuan equation hi adiklo bera adiklo dikber pom chuang lo masela answer ki ya chuan hei tho hin ron da karinga ajan chu solution chu ron ti se molarity a 1 molar kan nei number of solute 0.5 kan nei volume kan zong thai volume equal to 0.5 liter ani ngal top chu ml kan thak le chuan multiply by 1500 ml ron ni ngal top ma sela hei chu compensation ani thei don tinani chu in 3 moles of ethane the number of moles of carbon atom is ethane kan zia don chuan C2H6 kan nei photang carbon panhi met et ani so ti chuan 1 mole a hian 1 mole of ethane a hian carbon panhi kan nei ta ni ani le 3 moles sa chuan exam nge kan nei ang 6 moles kan nei ang kapo harlo chuan which of the following statements about electron is not correct ati so electron chu negatively charged particle ania adi club ti chuan it is a basic constituent of all atoms atom siam tu chu electron proton le neutron ania electron chu a constituent particle ve thawani subatomic particle poimo ve takani ti chuan the mass of electron is equal to the mass of neutron hei dikkalo ta ni electron hi chu ama sa te falu tuk chu wang chuan atomic mass kanen po hian electron kan share tel ngai lo neutron le proton che kan share thin kha ti chuan cathode rays ani yaron ti tani hei po dik club J.J. Thomson an mu chwa vek to kha le two electrons occupying the same orbital le subshell hi kan shiat pol thina SPDF kan ti hi subshell chu ni an orbital kan ti tak chu a box a ho kha ni heng ho kha kaziak do to lo me ang hei bak di theng kaziak anga hei orbital chu ni mai ta ni te chuan orbital pakhata hian electron pahi zel lenga hi two electrons occupying the same orbital ron titani hi engtin nge s ve ve a ombok principal quantum number inang vek bu chu kan determine ta gang a difference engdang ni lawin spin quantum number hi clockwise sina spin anga ti chuan hi anti-clockwise sina spin ang chuan le samam
Question number 15 here taila question number 50 chuanin number 1 na chlorine has less negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine ti he diklawa chan chu fluorine he size te tema vain electronic repulsion na khana sa chu electron ki again har sa ni chu 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 chlorine hian a gain thei zoka more negative electron gain enthalpy ti tur ni chuan helium has the highest first ionization enthalpy in the periodic table te helium hi noble gas ani atomic number 2 ni a size ate boka tin stability kha nei sang em boka chu wa chuanin he chu adika oxygen is more electronegative than fluorine ti a he chu diklo fluorine he periodic table chuan electronegativity nei sang bera chu wa chuan oxygen he nei sang zo nga da wang he chu diklo ti na ni a mercury and bromine are liquid at room temperature ti a he po hi fix stop ani a he chu dik ti na ni room temperature a chuan mercury le bromine ki liquid ani mercury te pe chu thermometer anga te po han kan mu thena nga ani chuan 2 le 4 hi addicti na ni a 2 and 4 only ti hi cancer turan don ti na ni fifth one hen le taila z equal to 114 has been discovered recently. It will belong to which of the following family? Hey chu class question a classroom a practice to thina angai che hi aron chuak to pa he copy paste te po anga it will belong to which of the following family or group and electronic configuration ti a periodic table tiam check da chuan noble gas kha in by ha chuan 118 kha organison kha ne og this one 118 to group 18 nia this one is a reverse zone in chut meta group 17 a chuan in halogen sanam dona group 16 a chuan oxygen family nam dona this one group 15 a chuan nitrogen nam dona group 14 a chuan carbon nam dona ani chuan in he 114 hi carbon family om don ti na kha ni me ni 52 hen letter the correct geometry and hybridization for XeF40 XeF4 a chuan xenon chuan in 8 valence electrons ania this one key 8 valence electrons a key fluorine tan ken pali mang to fluorine tan ken pali mang to fluorine ti ta this one lone pair panhi nei bokta lone pair panhi nei bokta this one in VSEPR theory atra kan en chuan VSEPR theory a chuan lone pair pahniom chuan actual shape tur chu square planar ni ma chu tuna hian in square planar ti kan sar tur chun don ti na ni which of the following angle corresponds to sp2 hybridization ate sp2 hybridization ni chuan in antina example a bf3 la taila bf3 hi sp2 hybridize example a chun la taila hi trigonal planar han ta ni trigonal planar a chuan bone angle chu 120 degree ni helai bone angle zong hi 120 degree don ti na ni c hi kan saran don ti na ni chu
bul rang kan soi liang in tan liao liao thì khana kalem kal le kan soi chaleang. Which of the following is true for an adiabatic process? A. Katik vectoin hu vekang. Adiabatic at chuan heat transfer omlo Q equals to 0 top. Ti chuan ki second law of thermodynamics ania soi thui vak ngai lawa statement ania. The total entropy for a system and its surrounding increases for a irreversible process ani kha. Chuan le catalyst kan eta equilibrium anti boilo kan ti chin kha anti boilo na chuan the state of equilibrium is not disturbed. The equation te two set nge mudi olutuk le kan era isang kan ziak chale nga tang headline part ito le conjugate acid of PO4 3 minus azotani hemi hini mi alawa proton again masak bera thil pek chwa kha conjugate acid chu ni mai ti chuan H3PO4 hian sorry PO4 3 minus hian atira hydrogen pathuma rualin again thut lawa ama ero chu pakhatte tein again nga tikhan HPO4 2 minus ape chuakang kha conjugate acid chu ni mai chuan ziak chale lo mai ngo hei po kaban phalau te kher mai le ki redox reaction ani ta ni ti chuan manganese he ta hen oxidation state hi oxygen 2 minus ania 2 are 4 minus 4 le lama phei chuan plus 4 ani don oxidation state min ti thei lo chang ka join thiam lo ni to chuan MnCl2 om le ta ti chuan chlorine hi minus 1 ani ta ni minus 2 chu le lama phei chuan hi plus 2 ron ni leang plus 4 changa plus 2 atlak thak chuan plus 4 chang plus 2 atla a charge decrease shim chuan reduction ani kan ti to kha chuwang chuan MnO2 chuan reduction a undergo ani midang in an reduce ani hei bak hi om lo hei dikngal top ti chuan le ki ta hian chlorine ki om ta ni he ta hian chlorine hi oxidation state ni yang X plus oxygen chu minus 2 ni ta ni ti chuan le lama minus 1 headline charge te bang hian 3 hi chu angai kher lo angai tho lo chuak do na 3 minus 2 equals to minus 1 ani anga x equals to plus 1 alo chuakang plus 1 khataka zon ang khana ba khi chin lo zong venga eta hian chlorine hi 3 are 6 plus 5 ani anga taro chuan heta hian minus 1 ani ta ni le mi pakhatina product lama oxidation state chi ni a exhibit thayani chuan alantir thayani chuan disproportionation reaction kan ti thin khani
all khop me he po he 60 ne he IUPAC ne min khani me ya ama sabera control rom tura chon select the longest carbon chain de khani this one chu longest carbon chain kan select don functional group te lo omani chuan functional group nei ber tu tanga select tur ni chu functional group chon carbon nei sa nei chuan chu 1 kan pe yang this one ta hian aldehyde group kan ne 1 ka pe yang 2 3 4 5 6 ke ka longest carbon chain tur chon ta ni parent chain na tel lo zong ke side chain kan tia khi side chain ho khi an lan lo em ma chu ma salama kan sek don ne chu this one side chain pani ka ne ya keto group le methyl group ka ne ya chu na methyl group o 3 na keto group o ma alphabetical order rem turan tan side chain nang lo kan nei chuan alphabetical order kan remang this one alphabetical order keto khi kalma sakzo ka wangin keto omna position ka je ka ti chuan ka ming ka jek don ne 3 keto tinan phot dona 3 keto aba hi ke eliminate the ti na ne chuan ato ta chuan enge side chain dang ka nei la chu 2 na methyl group ka nei 2 methyl 3 keto 2 methyl ala dik thei ve ti nan ta ki lai ki this one in what would the sieranga met et pro build pent hex anta hex ala dik phei le zela mase khoyange a in ti la ki poi ma ta ni a in na chu 4 na i na chu wa chon n hi ka eliminate thei ti na ni 4 inal hi kan saran don ti na ni b hi 61 ne letter the purity of purified organic compound is often checked by determining its melting air or boiling point. Til reng solid form ni chuan han melt tai la chu ta a melting point difference or a boiling point difference at liquid ni chuan boiling point ma chum mang chuan a purity ke check thei chen ne. The number of structural isomers for C5H12 is the C5H12 ni chuan kan ei sei thei ber chu carbon panga tina ni 1 2 3 4 5 carbon panga arrangement hi ka nei theya abak arrangement dang carbon panga hi ka nei thei to lo 5 ang arrange theya this one in a chain hi toi tai la 4 a 4 a ti toi tai la 1 2 3 4 4 ka ti toi chuan carbon pakhat hi helai position ka da theya so 4 na kian khi bak ka nei thei to lo wa heta hian dale ta pon la identical chuak do na this one 3 na hi 3 carbon chain pathum eng ka dale theya 1 2 3 ka ti hian carbon pakhati tan ka da theya ta ka da thei boka ti chuan or hetiang lo zo ke arrange le theya chu 1 2 3 ka ti hian ta hian carbon pahni ka da thei boka ni ama ero chu heta hey ani thon isomers pakhat pahni pathum pali neyang ha kalon don tina ni ama ero chu kani thei lo than pakhat to ma chu heta hian in award routine tar 1 2 3 4 thonia this one hela hian letara 1 2 3 4 thau nia he mi te pani hi identical an nia ain ang che ti na ni chu so san identical or in ang che an ni chuan pakhat anga chiar tur ni chu wa total isomers ka nei tur chu 3 tin an don ni arrange the following decreasing order of their boiling points concept pani man thaya pakhat na chuan branching man pakhat je zo ka molecular mass ma molecular mass increase chuan boiling point increase ang tuna chuan branching increase chuan boiling point decrease ang achan chu van der Waals force kan dekha decrease don awangin boiling point ki decrease don tenai a branch pole surface area decrease don't dinani van der Waals force decrease nga boiling point decrease don't dinani this don't an entire in butane chu te yo mang normal butane is on met at prop but linear in tikerom don't dinani true methyl butane ni chuan met at prop but chu na methyl group om don't tikerom don't dinani n pentane ni chuan met at prop but pen tikerom don't dinani true dimethyl propane ni chuan met at prop chuna dimethyl tikhian om don dinani han entai la concept number 1 na hi ta ka apply thei che n pentane ni hian carbon pakhat pani thum pli panga ni ta carbon ki nga ber da khian so san molecular mass ki tam ber don dinani tuna kana izinga hian n pentane hi boiling point sang ber don tina c hi ajo khami ka hriat khanin ka chang hal mai thei to d hi ani don ti kha a hriat mai ta amma ro chu han explain shim dai la hey molecular mass asang tamber don chu wa chu boiling point sang bera katia atu tan n letai la b hi 2 methyl butane ani this one d hi n letai 2 dimethyl 1 2 3 4 5 carbon panga ne 1 2 3 4 5 carbon panga thau ne amar chu enge danglam na ti chon hey a branch zo ka ne zo ma hey a branch zo ka so sa boiling point ki niam zok don ti na ne chu isomers an ni chuan a branch lo en tur ti na ni chu ma chu wa chuan hey kan saran don ti na ni chu
cái mà party soi tur hin claim thei khop mai hai poi kanon soi le thuak ringon dona the most suitable method to determine the molecular masses of macromolecules alian lamaron kok macro ni chuan asai salian tina ni mai ni ti chuan in osmotic pressure relative lowering in vapor pressure king khau khi colligative properties kan nei khau khan ni ta ni kan cho to point mushim shimanga heng hau te te tiang hawa hi chuan kan thil mu chuwa te thei tuk achan chu chain chate ni micromolecule sau ta na ni chu bang chuan osmotic pressure hi macromolecule sau molecular mass zon chuanan kan mang thei alan unripe mango hey unripe umjia te hi in shelo mai thea kan nau te chuan an shia enge a min lo ti na ni mai atro te chuan place in a concentrated salt solution chi al tuk tak mai hanan tha ka pickle siaman tuma shrivels because shrivels an ti den asong te ti na kha ani mai ta ni ngati nge son te ngati nge voi ve shrivels alo asong te don ta ni so te chuan om zia chuan osmosis wang ani ta ni osmosis a hian low solute da chang higher solute a transfer a tui hi a travel thin ta ni ani chuan engwang mo it loses water due to osmosis water lo sanga apuam to lawang a voi tuang It's one in an electrochemical cell. Which of the following occurrences are true? Hey, poi kan slide tami nita reduction occurs at anode. Dot vec anode ka negative ani. Amatrang electron at swak to wang chona loss ha oxidation na undergo. Ito diklaw pot. Hemi diklaw chon hemi hi automatically na diklaw nga lang. Tichon tunahan kasoy zaw chia. Electrons flow from anode to cathode. Hey diklap. Tichuan electrochemical cell chuan current flow thainan electron flow ringot kha tok lawa salt bridge hianin charge neutrality a maintain angai tichuan circuit aron complete chiang 3 le 4 chi adik tinani chu tichuan which of the following is correct for spontaneity? Hey, spontaneity te hi aming tuin che ve to thawanga ma se in lo she ringot mei thaya kanau te zon om zian thia English class kan kalpa thina ge ni chu spontaneous ani zon ama atheng tinani me midang inan va induce ni lo ama atheng tinani me ti chuan spontaneity kan dure re chuan Gibbs free energy hi negative ani turani kan ti thina ti chuan formula khan enge kan nei delta G not equals to minus NF E not cell kan nei thin ti chuan hei hi negative tir kan du na chuan hei hi alo negative vele chuan minus into minus plus a chuak don chu wang chuan hei hi positive anga minus into plus equals to negative ani anga spontaneity a thleng thei chiang ti chuan e hi ni don tinani chu e not a positive anga tinani chu chuan le in galvanic cell which one of the following statement is not correct kanau te chuan hei po hin thiam le veka le adiklaw bera ron zo tani ti chuan anode is negatively charged adiklap cell pa nga ya chuan anode hi positive charge ani ma se electrochemical cell te galvanic cell te chuan a negative ani kan ti thin hei hi correct option ani cathode is positively charged anode a negative chuan cathode a positive ang reduction take place at the anode dot vec ni china kan ti to kha ani chuan c hi ni don tinani chu reduction chu cathode a thleng ani so the unit of rate of reaction is the same as hei po hi kanau te bok kin an thiam le do na lo thong lo la it's on ki rate constant rate of reaction hi a unit kan zon don chuan mole per liter per second ani ta ni ti chuan rate constant hi a unit kan zon don hian mole 1 minus n ln minus 1 second inverse kan nei thin zero order tan chuan mole to paniya nga n minus 1 0 minus 1 su minus 1 ani mai ani chuan zero order reaction ani don tin ani chu ti chuan for the reaction the experimental data suggests rate hey heta hem reaction kan nei ta ni molecularity min zot chuan molecular engzan nge involve kha reaction a khan pakhat pani involve molecularity chu pani phot ti chuan in order min zo hian hetlai mi te kha vazun mi alo tur ani kanau te chuan an vazong don lawa hetlai mi hin pang mayang rate low mi kan pang thin ka ti kha ti chuan power engzan nge nei eng main zia lo chuan 1 an nei ani le he hian engzan nge nei 1/2 1 plus 1/2 chu 1 1/2 ni mai ti chuan true and 1/2 kan nei don tinani chu
Question number 71. Tilarsa omlova which property of transition metals enables them to behave as a catalyst in the oxidation state danglam theiwang khan ya ma hi answer chun dona oxidation state danglam theiwang khan e heta biology point zero to thin electron transport chain velanga te po khan fe2 kha fe2 plus kha fe3 plus te po gal theya khating ni han electron carrier han chang thei thin ni chu wa chuan hei answer tur ni variable oxidation state nei thei wangin catalyst thatak an ni te kha ni mai charge carrier or electron carrier han chang thei thin ni ma assertion and reason type of question ni zinc is not regarded as transition metal transition metal kan ti chu enge partially filled d subcell nei kha ni partially filled d subcell transition elements kan ti chuan partially filled d subcell nei tur ni this one zinc chu han d subcell in their neutral state or most occurring oxidation state oxidation state. This one in neutral state ta zinc chuan in S2 D10 ania fully filled ania. This one in patni hi lo loss ta pon is he zinc pa ngai Zn2 plus a chuan Zn2 plus a D10 S0 nei don he Zn2 plus a configuration tur chun ta. This one han entire tu na he zinc is not regarded as transition metal atia a dikhapa asan chu a patni ni hai khoya ma hianin partially filled d subcell chu nei lo ta ni chu completely filled ania. Reason en le taila zinc has partially filled these d orbitals in its plus 2 oxidation state atia adik lo ta ni he plus 2 oxidation state ani hian d10 thola neya chu wa chuan partially filled d subcell chu ani thei lo ti na ni chu ma chu wa chuan sarson khi adika reason khi adik lowa reason khian asar son khi asoi fialem lo bok ti na ni mo statement sang ve ve ni chu wa chuan both assertion and reason no assertion is correct statement but reason is false statement ti hi ka correct answer turan don ti na ni. The spin only magnetic moment of CO2 plus is at CO2 plus ani chuan copper chuan in D10 S1 ani a hei hi neutral copper configuration chun ta Cu2 plus a chuan D9 S0 ani dona ti chuan in D9 S0 ni chuan 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 an dona unpaired electron hi pakhat chau nei to ni chu unpaired electron pakhat chau nei chuan a magnetic moment do chu 1 point something an dona so 1.73 hi ka correct answer tur chun don ti na ni. Which of the following is the most stable complexity? Chelating ligands omna pianga stability of the complex increased strain. Chelating ligands kan ti chuang ring formation om thena khani. This one tuna han entire didentate oxalate kan ne ya oxalate kan ne ya OX. Hey, pakhathi ani mun ni tang coordinate thei wang hi ring formation om don ti na ni. OX ti hian ring formation om don chelating ligand ne ti na ni chu ani chuan he stable ber don ti na ni. Chelating ligands can stabilize the complex more than the monodentate ligand. Mo chu wazon he stable ber don si kan saran don ti na ni. 75 nen taila which of the following complex is high spin complex? High spin complex kan ti chuan in electrons ate hi in pair up loin thian om ta vexe hi high spin and ta spin state hi han chu taila ta hian half an dona ta hian half an don tan half 1 2 2.5 an don tin ani ta hian this one in low spin gan an tia chuan in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 thian lo om ta se heta hian half le half minus half plus half an dona spin state 0 0 0 don ne spin state ki 0 ta veka chu electrons in pair up re chon a spin state hitla hiam ta thin ni chu chon low spin kan ti chan chu ni ta hian half 1 an don tina 2.5 cha 1 ta hiam tina ni chu chu wa chuan in electrons in pair up re rengin a spin state hitla hiam thin ai pair up lo chon high spin ai pair up chon low spin ti chon pair up thei tu chu strong ligands ani a pair up thei lo tu chu weak ligands an ta ni a jo heta hian weak ligands ka izong mei don tina ni a CNEN a strong ligand ni a NH3 a strong ligand ni a CNEN a strong ligand ani weak ligand om chu chu hei hin ta kita kian electron ki ein pair up don lo ti na ni ein pair up lo chuan high spin complex an don ti na ni 76 nen le taila the compounds het hi tu ya data la COSO4 NH35 ki tu ya data la CO NH3 5 Br CO Br NH3 5 SO4 he tu ya data la engi ions nge pek suang ti jon complex plus 1 charge le Br minus a pe chuak don ne he hian nge pek suang ti chuan complex 2 plus SO4 2 minus khimeti ke pe chuak don na ano han compare tai la hian Br minus a pe chuak ka hian SO4 2 minus a pe chuak ka ions a pek chuak hin ang talo ni chu kitiang ki ionization isomers kati han ta ne 77 ne taila primary alkyl halide would prefer to undergo primary alkyl halide CH3 CH2 X ti taila hei ka primary alkyl halide chu ni ti chuan in ta hian in nucleophile flu don ta se eng nucleophile po steric hindrance som lo wang hian steric hindrance in role play to lo wang hian role po play thei lo ti ra chu nucleophile in he ta hian a ta ka nga free takin ti ken chuak mai thei do na chu wa chu ki SN2 reaction an don ti na ne ma SN1 ni tur chuan enge de som bulky group of mangai ni chu bulky group of mangai tertiary b ka han SN1 chu thleng du ya achan chu enga tinge ti chuan in nucleophile khan lu na tur nei lo wangin ama hian carbon ni a stable tho box si wangin ali fanga carbon formation kha phot don ti na ne ti hian chu tertiary alkyl halide de kan observe na sa ti na ne chuma tertiary alkyl halide ta kian SN1 chu favorite condition ti na ne this one SN2 big chu primary alkyl halide te methyl halide kan tiang chi ho reaction center free na huna khanin an thleng du big ti na ni chuma which of the following is the most acidic compound ti ethanol ti hi hey ethanol chu ni mai ta phenol zek le taila paracresol zek le taila hey ang mo phenol ani hey ethanol chu ni mai a hey paracresol OH CH3 this one in para nitrophenol zek le taila acidity increase tur chuan in electron withdrawing group kan mo ne electron withdrawing group tamna penga stability of the anions mo ka increase don wangin he zo hian taila ethanol hian taila dikhen om dona o minus and don H plus ki pek chuan chuan acetani chan chu H plus pek chuan thei wang ania H plus apek chuan hu ki anions hi alkyl group kan ne hi donating group an ta se a destabilize don so anions ki ma alkoxide ion kan dikhi stable don lo tian stable lo chuan apek chuan to sai alanga angai let le zel dona pe chuak lo len angrang ti nan don ne phenol hi antaila phenola ero chuan H plus apek chuan hianin phenoxide ion hi resonance stabilization om thei dona stabilized by resonance paracresol an entaila paracresol apo hianin o minus hi ein delocalize ve don tho amma ero chu ta hian CH3 hi kan nei ta sia CH3 can hyperconjugate son kha akhen thei dona heta chang hian no bond resonance kan tikha ti zo hekal don ajon donating group ani tina ni a donating group ani chuan destabilize tinan ta ne a destabilize ta ne heta ve thu chuan in heta ve thu chuan pot dona hai hian minus m nei dona minus m effect awang kian heta o minus o makha a potle doni malama kin an joinin negative charge kha in disperse don tinania in delocalize don tinania a stability ki sang don tinani so tuna kan condition a kichuan in withdrawing group effect kan neina NO2 a kianin stability sang ber don tinania acidic ber don tinani he 79 ne tala sarson a RI RBR RCl RF ki boiling point order min pe kan ta this one in han entaila periodic table top to bottom acho fluorine chlorine bromine iodine a hian size increase ani size increase top to bottom size increase so neng increase ang van der Waals force increase ang van der Waals force increase ang acho kita boiling point in pe ka ki addict thap tinani van der Waals force increase boiling point chu increase ang acho he chu dik tinani sarson chu reason here that the boiling points of alkyl chlorides, alkyl bromides, and Ri kan ti ho hi hydrocarbons ho ain and boiling point ki sang zo ka adita comparable molecular mass comparable molecular mass ni si khan enga tinge chu van der Waals force lam khan to lo tinani ani si chuan in a polarity wang hin ta ne RCl delta minus delta plus R BR delta minus delta plus RI delta minus delta plus khilaya dipole interaction om thei wang khian a boiling point chu hydrocarbon so chon sang jok ti na ni alkyl halide so okay ma chu wa chuan in higher rate of the hydrocarbon addictina ne hi po khi ele bi chu dictina ne amma ero chu asar so ne khi reason can explain em ti lai khania heta hin boiling point or dar in halogen so khan ta mo alkyl halide thau chau khani ta ta chon molecular mass base van der Waals force base ani mas a reason a hian hydrocarbon and compare achunga mi hi explain to lo re chu wa chuan in adik ve a mas explain lo te kan answer tur chun don ta ne both assertion and reason are correct statement but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion b hi ka correct answer turan don ti na ne during dehydration of alcohols to alkenes dehydration of alcohols zo tra tui pe so tur ti na ne acidic dehydration of alcohols to form alkenes and so ki acid imang H2SO4 imang a first step achon engen yang ti chuan in OH a leaf top thei si lo wa chu wa chuan leaving group tha siam tur chuan proton silak tirang this one CH3 CH2 OH2 plus klo nei dona kilai OH2 plus ki chuak chak zek to ne san chu electronegative atom oxygen akem positive charge som to wangin CH3 CH2 OH2 plus chu CH3 CH2 carbon piang don tin ane ta hian plus water chuak phot don ne so khi carbon ne khi CH3 CH2 plus again HSO4 minus H2SO4 ke S plus apek chu to wangin ta hian HSO4 minus lo don tin ania HSO4 minus hian helai hydrogen pakhati abstract ta se alkene chuak mai don tin ani CH2 khi kalau nei mai don tin ani ani so first step a chon thil theng a chu protonation of alcohol kin ta ne a hi kal saran don tin ani chu ethers are stored in brown bottles to prevent ethers hi brown bottles sai da chuan sunlight prevent don tin ani moisture zo prevent don tin an bokani oxidation ki theng thei thina mo open air angai da te page one oxygen ne khanin riaka nga peroxide formation khom dei don ni chu chumi peroxide formation dang tur chuan brown bottle or dark bottle khani da ngai then chuwa chuan to prevent oxidation te khin ta ni formic acid and acetic acid can be distinguished by formic acid kan ti chu HCOOH kan ta acetic acid kan ti chu CH3COOH kan ta he formic acid hian tolerance reagent chu a reduce theine tolerance test apedon positive ti taila this one he chuan tolerance test apelova aso panhi ka distinguish thei dan chu tolerance reagent mangin ni aso chu tolerance reagent kan chu ammoniacal silver nitrate de khene which of the following does not give aldol condensation petur chuan first condition a chuan alpha hydrogen should be present ani chuan alpha hydrogen a lo chuan aldol condensation kha pedon lo tina nia kani zeros kha pede don tina ne ma acho alpha hydrogen lo kan song don tina ta hi chuan alpha hydrogen hi 3 alpha h kan ya he ta hian en taila ta hin alpha hydrogen oma no he ta zo ken ma this one in c hian le taila he hetan alpha hydrogen kan ei ve ni paruk kan ei ne d hian le taila hetan hydrogen pakhat ma to lo chu wa chuan etuna hin aldol condensation pe thei lo tu tur chu d hin don tina ne reactivity of ketone is more than aldehyde ketone kan han ti chu acetone hi example ala taila hey donating group ani alkyl group hey po donating group ani an jon helai carbon hi enge oxygen ne na electronegativity difference an nei wang delta plus anaya amar chu helai delta plus hi donating group pani nei wang hian a positive density hi tlan hiam don tina ni electron sa pek don awangin aldehyde chon entaila tihian omta donating group hi pakhat chawan ya helai carbon hi electron tla chamin don tina ne helai carbon hian helai aldehyde carbon hian electron atla chamjok tina ni ti chuan chu concept number 1 an ta a pahnih na chuan steric hindrance heta chuan bulky group pahnih methyl group pahnih nei ta chuan hydrogen pakhat awm awangin mo bulky group pakhat chaw nei wang hian nuclear file ron lu na kha a rem chang jok tina thol takin ron lu thei don tina tan ron attack thei don tina heta chuan a bulky ne sawang khian heta ron lu hi a har sat ani chu ma chuan a reactivity chu aldehyde an sang jok don tina ni aldehyde reactivity ki sang jok don tina ni chu ma this one reactivity of ketone is more than aldehyde chu adik lo ngal tina ta ni aldehyde reactive jok reason the carbonyl carbon of ketone is less electrophilic as compared to aldehydes reason hi adik khapa amaro chu I explain ta mi lo ni ma heta hian ketone ki reactive jok ti ta hianin ketone carbon ki electrophilicity asang jok atile de ya explain ta lo ni chu hey less no niam jok ati less electrophilic ati asoi dik che ma se explain lo asarson dika reason reason asarson dik lo reason dika reason hin explain lo te kha kanan sar turan don tina ne khoinge assertion is incorrect but reason R is correct statement explain lo lampo khada chelo en adale sita hian both assertion and reason are correct ani chuan assertion is incorrect hei ba khi ko option tur kan sar tur khi ba khi om thei don lo te ne both khin thei lo rem katik swal of inkashia consider the following reaction and identify CH3CONH2 amide bin pe CH3CO NH2 he amide hi strong reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride mangin reduce la enge chuak anga tinan ta strong reducing agent ne enge tiang ti chuan H+ pe H hydride pe don ni hydride H- hydride pe nga achon he water molecule ang remove ta la CH3 CH2 NH2 kalau nei don tina primary amine kan nei don tina ni ani chon primary amine chu C nei primary amine chon ta hi cancer don tina ni 86 nen leng hal taila the correct increasing order of basic strength for the following compounds is the basic strength sang tur chuan donation kan mo ve thung ni donation basicity kan ti chuan electron pe chuak all sum ti na nia electron pe chuak all sum tur chuan in electrons ka anga angai ta ni chu hanen dal ta hianin hetan lone pair ne nitrogen hian heta point lone pair nei veka takit lone pair nei nitrogen khianin khoi hmuna khian nge electron ki phal taka apek theyang ti kha kan concept chu ni heta hian entaila hyper plus h om thei dona hyper conjugation om thei dona heta hian entaila eng effect ma om lem lawa ta hian entaila minus m om thei dona he hi chon electrons ki apo sakani chu he hi chon ape zo kani ani chon 3 na hian electrons ki all sum takin ape chuak thei don tina ne anjon 3 na ki a basicity chu asang ber don tina nia 3 san na ber chu dina hian nia ado da chu 1 na eng effect ma om lo pot 2 om lo pe 2 pom chong lo 2 na entaila pot 2 om ani chon d hi ka correct answer turan don tina ne Gabriel Thalhamide reaction is used for the preparation of primary amine killer sam lo ki chu 88 all proteins on complete hydrolysis gives proteins kan ti chonin proteins how to enge siam this amino acid ania building block of proteins to amino acid ani amino acid enzyme khom polypeptide chain mang enzyme khom kha proteins kan ti chon mai polymers of amino acid tinani so what one c hi and don't tinani which of the following acid is a vitamin acid ni si vitamin ni box chu ascorbic acid ni vitamin vitamin C kan ti khani ma hani puara te itur ka chong hal rong choni which of the following polymer is stored in the liver of animals and this one glycogen plants and each one starch ka ti zong kha chemistry tra kan ti thei te chu ni no thian sa ka van kan lo em
Full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above with Humanity and kindness will show our love. ILA, empower willing minds. With love and compassion we'll shine. Through academic excellence, we'll lead the way. Empowering hearts with knowledge every day. From classrooms to communities, we'll make a change. With academic rigor and a heart that ranges. From coast to coast, we'll stone some pride and our people's future. One IRA, empowering minds. With love and compassion will shine. So academic excellence, you make a way. Empowering hearts, this Blind Children Day. ILA, where curiosity meets innovation, building a brighter future with education. ILA, ennobling minds. There's love and compassion, you'll shine. So academic excellence, you lead the way. Empowering hearts with knowledge every day. With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love. ILA, empower willing minds. With love and compassion we'll shine. Through academic excellence, we'll lead the way. Empowering hearts with knowledge every day. From classrooms to communities, we'll make a change. With academic rigor and a heart that ranges. From coast to coast, we'll stone some pride and our people's future. One IRA, empowering minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. So academic excellence. curiosity meets innovation, building a brighter future with education. And only minds. There's no than compassion, your shine. So like a dam that gets accelerates, you lead the way, empowering hearts with loving to every day. With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love.
You can try. Physics analysis kan run le na tuna nei ka partner hi sa thang te ania
Kan chuan vor em. Kan thuak bur san puya.
ale
La kan ti chan mo rang.
kan state ka
Wala. Question number 1 now, which of the following is not scalar quantity? Not scalarity
direction
Scalar chu
nei lo.
direction nei lo ha engen hiang temperature chu direction nei lo nei tro.
Which of the
scalar.
following is not scalar
Vector ra
nei
sai
lo.
na. Temperature chu lume mai le lam hoyang kan ti la te ngai threm. Ala lum thau chu fan chu hi chu
So the volume he the volume ai nang vec
speed pon ni thawa mass te pok ha impi pa te mulai buk ngam lawa le lamin hoi pon ala ngai reng thau direction in angong lo heng ho chu an dik lo veka acceleration chi hi adang lam thei ni tero
next huh?
ti ve chi
A stone is dropped from a height in pair. H is equal to ut plus half a t square kan le an direct phal mai nga a san zong a drop t kan le ya ti chuan drop ani a chu wang chuan u chu initial velocity ka 0 in dona ani chuan half into ai a g kan le acceleration due to gravity 10 ani nga ti chuan t square ani nga ani chuan t square chu 16 alo ni nga t chu 4 seconds alo ni don tina khani maya hei kan answer tur in don tin jo
plus 4
plus 4 masani mi an chon plus 8 in to don
plus 8 horizontal range hi ig ya kan da khania formula hi tro in la shem range le englo intluk na kha
azia the thong tro
tlama di
khoi in tin
range is equal to r tan theta by 4 kan nei thina maximum range horizontal maximum range kan nei thei tur chonin tan theta hin exang tu ngai 45 tro tan 45 degree chu 1 ne jiang lang loila ri hianin range hi 400 meter min pe by 4 chu 100 san jong ke 100 height meter mo dole hianin minimum horizontal force required to move the block is around dia zone hianin block kan nei hei pot don tai la cheson tur choin okay friction of wangin tlama hian friction ai siam dona motion opposite kanin relative motion opposite kanin chuan he force he friction ai na tam nge tur ni ti khanita limiting friction kan ti kha f limiting kha n tai la mu n kan nei thina he chu kan hrenga mg normal direction up le down motion om lo ai tuk ti kha kan mu thenga mu value exang he sir kha mu value 0.4 ama si 10 ani chuanin mg thuk dona n chuan ro chu wan chuanin 10 into 10 te meng chu 40 vani mai mel ve ase 9.8 ap manga tin ani mai 14 hai ber chu hei ni mai 9.8 man chan 39.2 ram chu don thau klema phakariti de ulek plus 4
BD copy mi zong manem ichung ten lo en venio le 5 Newton force is applied on a body produced in an acceleration hay chu F is equal to ma a mass min zota F by a F value hi 5 ani a acceleration hi 1 I sang with vector 5 kg
dấu đẹp
plus 4 hi po la solid lat
okay mass kan này à thì chuan height kan này à g khadu 10 kha kala mai dona ani chuan work done min zota work done chu mgh hin don ne
e
Force
miss
to this-
miss zo pui zi na zi I toi mel top
ngaro kan race lok ngai fit rup tan het lai gì tu moi lo chu bang chuan mgh tira lo long ta hian chu
10.
da lu mas
10.
10 tingai o 10 le
height
5 in dona 500 tu ra in dona ma se 9.8 ta hian kan lak chuan 9.8 kan
500 mai ber hian
ber
thang
khan
top
mai
na.
ya 490 phakariti ni kha
plus do dem
plus 4 ang okay pagi ole mai
dot le hianin
kita po mas pani kan ne ya chun zo 2 kg la 3 kg te 3 kg la 2 kg te ni ya ti chuan an position vector te bok an position te bok an thria 2 meter le 5 meter ten ni ya center of mass kan zong dona center of mass om na ka zong dona chu m1 r1 plus m2 r2 divided by m1 plus m2 kan ti thin khani me ya value gen da lu ti la
3 into
3 2 tingal meng o 6 salo ni nga x1 kan mang ve khera nge kan bui le tuk lo nan x2 kan ti ve khera nge chuan 2 5 10 ni nga tro 10 dai la divided by 5 ani nga ani chuan 16 divided by 5 ani nga 3.2 aron chu don jo 3.2 meter
direct question em mai plus 4 ngo Grace plus 4 em hi nice zooks a body of mass 1 kg is rotating in circular radius angular momentum min zota angular momentum ha chi sang sang kan nei ta I omega ti te adang pu kan zik the ma se tu na mi big n tai la m v r kan nei kim fa ka is equal to m v r kan mang mai tai la m value hi 1 ani a v hi 2 hi a tin r ki 0.5 to 1 by 2 tin kan da the kan sel tir chon 1 atuk don ne option number a plus 4 tero bd hi RSP the same nice plus 4 zia kang
plus
Chuan,
3
plus 3 dak lo ta pa distance hey po hi kan soi na sa khop me distance emo radius emo time period ne na aron da na chuan in Kepler's third law kha kan mang tur ni a Kepler's third law ni nge soi kan ni chuan t square is proportional to a cube te kan nei thin ni khatro case pan ni kan ne ya the ratio of time period te t1 by t2 te ti mai tai la am vai in whole square ngal me is equal to a1 te chu 10 to the power 14 le 10 to the power 12 10 ni a cube ani dona chuan hei kan cancel thei kewa kan cancel keu chuan in ken je is equal to kan cancel keu
10 to the
chuan
power
in
2 ani
10 to the power 2
3
3 ron ninga hei hela main square om ti khila thai la t1 by t2 square hi le lama kalak chuan in 10 to the power square 3 by 2 ron ni tong tra square le lama kan lak phei khan square root ron ni tonga power chuan cancel thenga 10 to the power 3 answer voina cancel sing 10 to the power 2 tikan om zre wa chu wa choi minus 1 minus 1 in budon kinetic energy needed to project a body of mass m from the earth's surface tangin kan vom chuk dona point a ti tai lat lai mara apting em bil lo hin ka jiak ngai lo hi pon lo heyo ngai dam mayang radius r ni ta chon point a hi surface ni ta se infinity kha ya point b ate ti mai ta la infinity kha okay conservation of mechanical energy come formula mang le mai tai la e a le e infinity te ki input tur ni chuti ni cho sa tangan ding lok mai e a le e infinity infinity ya khan ni input tur ni ya point a exang energy kan nei kan ti chuanin minus g m by r kan nei thina r value chu point a khat zong chu center par chuanin capital R plus kinetic energy exang nei don kan vom chona tur speed kha v in vom chuk tai la 1 by 2 m v square kan nei nga chon hela hian han chuak chi thei tur ang khan ngai tai la kan soi fiang tlem te chal fe deu ngai lek nga chuak chi ani chuanin a chuak chi ni chon han che to don lo ni tro a che to lo chon kinetic energy nei don lo tin potential energy at infinity chu zero thau ni chu wang chang hi kan siam rem chuanin v square is equal to ti mai dem m le m te hi common an lai la kan siam thawa v square is equal to g m by r ninga tu hi kan multiply phei chuanin tu mo oh half kinetic energy lo min zo sorry v te kan lo va zon chiam v kan zong thung tu hei kinetic energy exang am mo ang ti kha zon an ta kinetic energy is equal to azau ma there m po kan sil theilawa g m by r g m by r
zong po hina ti thei lo mo kinetic energy kha half mv square ania
escape velocity man thea
m v square aya hian root over 2g r mang dai la
lap sir man don ro chon ti zong bang lo lo ti han g m
by r square
g m by okay ti zong hian
zong hian da square anh ken se danga an sa chuk mal der tu le tu bo bok nga
ti zong po kana ti thei ve ve ta chang pon escape velocity derive chuan na khanita thei ve ve nga chu an soi ngun to f is equal to viscous force viscous
ngeron soi
ting kha drag force okay Stokes law khani mai f is equal to 6 pi eta rv v so terminal velocity kan man thin khania temperature of liquid
surface tension tu a decrease vele thunga
soi thui ngai ngale lo mo
ngai lo ma okay eta po
chemistry achuak
adiabatic expansion nia adiabatic a chon heat transfer 0 ni thina chu wang chon how much heat is exchanged ati chon 0 ni mai tro zo there
zero on pi tik tur ti te
lo 0 on pi nga tik ka van itlang rik point translational kinetic energy nia ta hianin kan confuse view mai thaya chan chu 3/2 kT le 3/2 RT kan nei ta ma se kT kan man na chu enge ni thin kan ti chuan single molecules tan kher kan mang thina average translational kinetic energy of single molecule ania hey ero hi chu kinetic energy of mole of mole
tian ti zong pon sa han soi tai la kinetic energy average ka chu kan so 3/2 kBT kan ziak mai thenga 1 mole tan hi for 1 mole ta sorry single ari ta mole khat kan du chonin kinetic energy tian ti tai la mole kan kha avogadro number 0 omta 3/2 kBT hei pakhatan ania hei chu mole khatan ne chu wa chu kan zik thenga
kalam no
kan hrianga in le avogadro number le boltzmann constant multiply ki r achuk thin ni kha universal gas constant kha tiang khian
ani chuan d hi
d kan answer dik zok tur ni chu
kiko direct formula ne chu ba tik menga omega square a derive kher ngai lo m ngai lo following is an example of transverse wave anita transverse ani chuanin a vibe pakhat up and down a vibrate chuan wave khamma zong in a kal don an pani khan perpendicular to each other in on don tin khani me ta hian a specify lo view me a question gen ama ero chu sound in air hi dik thei lo hul hola chan chu longitudinal wave ani wang khani ta heta hin chon longitudinal wave aron ti sa dik lo ngal panga ti chon pressure wave from po kha longitudinal ang khan ni thina chu wang chon hei dik lo ta hi specifically tuk lo ba se kan answer kha ni ber tur ni tan jo
makli
Gracie bungam lo ani chon -1 poti tel mengo
0 risk lo ni mo okay two charges hi phakariti ka chu do na need exam tu ranga te pon lama mo do na avai vai fa chu khir ngai lo 1/4% not q 1/4% chu 9 to 10 to the power 9 at lokani bd kshetro jon q1 q2 te khi da taula 3 into 3 ti mai ula 10 to the power minus ke fa zia khir ngai lo chan chu number in ang lo veka kre mat khu man ve tu ni mo jon by r square ni do na r ki in taula 1/2 angin da taula 1/4 ni tong kan square jon tikhen ngai to taula all to m 9 are 81 into 4 khani maya multiply taila 4 32 324 om na khani mai a zero value chu cancel dik don thau chu ma chon boi pui ngai lo chon kan thri lo lo chunga number in ang vec 10 to the power chon ni chon 10 to the power chau ka boi pui le keu mai tur awesome array lo hei po cube kan nei thina sanung pui cube jen hen ang thri lo mo lo am moi mo tum
kasi ko don ni các cụ thi nghĩ là
le bol hi da ta la ta hian in hey in chung bang de hian en ta la akila ta som bol lien deuh da chin teu chon room tin me khan in exam he omang bol kha in za tang he in phelang ti zong in slide pop ti zong in slide le pop chon ti zong la om bok paria ta ni dro chon mun ret ta thina mun khatte kha block chunga khen aron lor ve te don ne chu chon go slow khan ting e soi kha total electric flux su charge enclosed by epsilon not ne exam e charge achunga om mun ret ta thina mun kha chu asa prong chuan 1/8 ani dro chu ma chu 1/8 epsilon not hi answer khan mai don ne q sorry mun ret ta thina mun khat q by 8 okay moving equal potential okay
equal potential ania
equal potential ani chu chuan class 12 zilai khan kan nei the potential difference va minus vb ti ten kan nei thina work done by charge ani khatro chuan equal potential ni chuan minus la include cho w is equal to work done is equal to 0 kan don ni 0 om pahni om to ala dik ve ni
0 tik na per plate capacitor is charged if the plates are pulled apart dia plate pahni te kan lak la tel chuan nge lo then thrin
nge formula kan
manang q is equal to cv te bo mangina
q is equal to cv kan nei don ma se distance la tel lo ta tro ta chon poilo dang distance tel na tu chu c is equal to k epsilon not a by d
kan ne
distance a increase capacitance a decrease dona chon ta tang hian kan mu thei chu v is equal to q by c here decrease ti kan mu to c decrease chon in
v increase dona potential difference a increase angai ni
easy
kita pon ngai to chai la
chete hi chu ala man ti lo ta
electric bulb ania chu array te ta kha 110 volt ania ti chuan a power min pe 100 watt ani ta chu min nuwa chuan 220 volt a khan kan connect ta ka tiang kami tur khan a operate na tur khan nge power ni ta ngaron ti ta chu mi tur chuan a resistance ka hriat photanga ya san chu power chu v square by r mangi ka song sok thedon ni ti ka in thria ani chuan in a given masazok case masazok atang hian hei case number 1 ti taila kita tang khian kan ba chuan resistance exact nge nei chu chu ka
adang nam don lo zui bok r value hitro ba kan thak don lo
v square by p lo ni mai dona ani chuan v chu 110
into 110 by power hi
power kha
100
ania 0 ta kan cancel thainga
1 by 2 mero
11 angin dang kina an boi lo zong nan 11 into 11 ti mang ti chuan in adotai nge
voltage hi 220
power thar kan zon ngai dona tro power new tinga chu v square by r ka ti thai thunga v voltage to 220 into 220 divided by a resistance to 11 into 11 ania ani chuan 400 ron chok mal mai a tiang khan
chok dikan minus 1
tat kha jo
ing yom thei nge mi ringa
khi mà cái tỷ lệ là EMF min pe a thì cho internal resistance min pe a chu resistor kan connect a the current in the circuit
nó soi mal bor sa
current circuit a current kal za ha kan zong dona tin a han draw zo lo te a draw don ti don chuan a bui thak tet
okay
ka zik pa thei tet lo current ka zon don chuan current chu v by r lo ton mai dona in ohms law tangin dro v chu 12 volt kan ya ma se resistance ei chi ni kan nei ta heta ya external resistance kan nei ya heta internal resistance kan nei boka tin ain connect dan ki uluk do en chuan ki series connection nia series a chuan kan bel thin ani dro ani chuan 6 alo ni nga ani chuan 2 amps current kal don tin a khain ta 2 amps
internal how chu series a connect to shim khan ni boka lo chin che keu ta la kha electron proton both having same linear momentum hey test nung bel khan ron chuang ni chumo
i draw ta moi do win
kan draw
trajectory
okay imponi se test ron chuang chu tian straight line neutron akala chuan ti hian proton le alpha particle khan la shem thau khan ya magnetic field chung a charge particle an lu thim chuan in ni perpendicular an lu chuan circular motion nei dona circle chuan radiation nei nge thin ne a formula ka derive don lo r is equal to mv by qb kan nei thina ti chuan in okay
same momentum
p angin da de ang on ni chuan q q bin ta an charge in anga momentum point an chon magnetic field point anga they will move in circular orbit tro chuan curve ve don am
a curve chara
radius point ang don
ai ang nge don
ani chuan straight line dik lo equal curve
equal curve
okay
baka chuan
dik thelo tro b hi answer dik ni don ni increase dikem mena chuan le current
placing uniform magnetic field the force on the key to
F is equal to ni chen han kan soi zo chi magnetic field chu charge particle lu chuan force don zat qvb kha dong thina tro tuna ve thung chuan exai don bil kan tin kha tin vector form in ziek tai la I L cross B kan ti chana cross product ni chuan engi om don ti chuan in BIL sin theta kan ne ya sin value hi ti ka nge maximum ani thin kan ti chuan theta is equal to 90 degree ni huna ni chu kan chuan in maximum when the conductor is perpendicular ngan om huna ni kha field nen tro ai field le conductor te ki ti chuan in find magnetic moment m is equal to ia kan nei thei boka tiang loop ho ran nga chon kan nei thina current value hi 3 mo area hi pi r square ni dona pi value hi da chin tiang
22/7
ni da me mo chuan
radius ka
radius hi 0.2 chu chu
0.04
0.04 dona kan square chuan chu chu 4/100 ti me ti chuan hi dik lo 50 trans mo n aten don mo 50 trans ani chuan 50 n value hi la da tel tai la hei hi kan cancel in 2 ni don na 2 2 are 4 44 into 3 chu 3 4 are 12 3 4 are 13 chu chu 7 in divide nga lang 7 1 is 7 62 ni dona chu chu 8 bor vel ni dona 18 pakhat chi om decimal point va zon kher po ngai to lo option number D ki answer di kan ni don ni
Kipo he vai khat differentiate ni mai lam ni han idi dan ni
khala ma ti la du le
vai khat differentiate
hala maron tiro
eron chu da ka differentiate chuan ti kha top meng 60 plus 5 ani nga time kha ni man tu induce EMF min so ta ani chuan 5 ka da lu chuan 30 plus 5 an kha dona zo mal de na ki chu
he chuan ti di gang tro induce EMF E is equal to rate of change of flux plus 4 RMS value hey kan chok mun to khom nei tro itinge current RMS is equal to peak not kan bang thina by root 2 kan nei thin ni kha I not him in zota maximum kim in zota I not ania root 2 into
IRMS
5 mo into le 1.414 ti te pon zik tawla into 5 ni dona 5 4 are 20 5 1 is 7 5 4 are 20 5 1 is 7 decimal point hi pathum na anda 7.07 ampere option number A hey point ti dikin ka ring confirm 4
skip the pon om ni me
reactance sung chang hiron soilia kan la she capacitor ta chon xc kan ti 1 by omega c kan nei ni khatro chon 1 by omega chon in frequency yang zong na ron soi he frequency option a hian 2 pi f c ni do f c ni do na frequency hi okay reactance hi increase to run do ni xc hi increase to chon in frequency hi a decrease ngai ti po kan hule ngala ni chuwan chon in decrease in frequency
wavelength frequency kan ya ti chuan in wavelength zone tur ania frequency le wavelength ani to chuan formula la re me kan ne ya lambda f kan ne ya tro ani chuan lambda ke zong du kan zon du ber khani do na wavelength ke chu v upon f lo ni mai nga v kan manga c te pokon mang thenga hi 3 into 10 to the power 8 khani me ya speed of light in vacuum kha lo ni ta ti chuan in frequency f kha 3 into 10 to the power 3 lo ni ta ani chuan 10 to the power 5 front so mai dan ni it's so easy
plus 4 draw ha
hey boy all khop me ya chen khat chu min ti boi view dona lens angai ngai tu chuan lens maker ka manga ti equal do nga ya chu ti angai in solve chuan 4f by 3 3f by 4 ron so dona ma sai question a ke do ka chir chuan mirror ania mirror a chuan boina reng khala
light pin lo thim
light ka bet lo thim ma chu bang chen ala ngai reng don ani di khilan reng don ani
in net there su sen in minus 1 pot hai chu azia chan chang an nui to
Get heavy point ang microscope which lenses produce a real okay
moi ngang
microscope ran ti tro maro kan ti te deu teng ni don
ala malian thum
anh tiết lo deu tro top vel view ka hia ta object kan ne light ta lu da ben ta tlai vel a hian image siam angin ngai tai la ka hung ma sat ber hi ang image ke lo ni ngal ta
sir objective le eyepiece ka an boi ngem
okay object lam nai piang hi handwriting bắt du về objective lens kan ti khani ya ti chuan tlai hian mit kha kan da thina kan va en na lampang khani thina chu wang chuan hei hi eye lens emo eyepiece emo kan ti thin khani ta eye lens ti meng o sam long in ti chuan hei tlai image in siam ma sa hian ngai tu tai la hemi objective lens ina image siam hin en ta ula inverted ya real ani boka tro al ling zong in oma ti chuan in adot le hian en vela him thimang answer tu chu chuk to renga hela hian island sian ting nge image siam be him thim island zero chuan hela ya image siam sa hi
kan draw hey kilian lok meng sir hian kan light kal ta se chuan
sim moi har view mai a tro
hey chuan in
virtual image siam
inverted magnified
virtual magnified inverted a siam thunga chu wang chuan real image siam thei tu jok chu objective jok
really inverted atia draw
real and inverted ani wangin objective ke kan answer tu reng to
eyepiece chuan virtual lao chin che taw la
light wavelength min pe a ti chuan in slits yang zo fringe width min zo ta yang zo bo slit a chuan fringe width chu lambda d by d ni thina mi zo pui je na zo na hengan je khia tu na hri chuan ala nal tu parang ti ka thau do 600 nano angin min pe a 10 to power minus 9 ka da do na d distance between the slits ka 1 meter ania divided by d slit width ka 0.2 mm ania chu 10 ti lo lo te 2 into 10 to power minus 4 meter ti hal long ka ting song khan ti chuan in hei cancel ila 5 ani nga 10 to power minus 5 mo ani ga chuan in
0 pan ni 3 dan
10 to power minus 3 don ti ani me a hei hi meter in ala oma chu mm a convert le chuan 3 mm ani don ti ani me ti kan answer
nice bd point ti ke grace ti vek nam pui test vero tro
the phenomenon of polarization of light polarization kan ti kha chu light intensity sang tak local kan cut off na khani me a intensity kan vati hiam na kha polarization chu ni ta chu eng nature in nge soi fi ber kan ti chuan light chu chi sang sang aron vibrate khani thina vibration chi sang sang nei thina lo ni a ki cut off tur chuan anterior nan ta ya hian polaroid pakhat ka lo nei ta ti zong chi hian vibration ka kal tang thei ta se heng direction te hemi direction te chu cancel vek don ti na khani ta chu polarization khani ta chu eng wangin nge thlen thei a thlen thei le san chu khiti anga transverse nature an nei wang khini
sound te chu ni ta se long ji aron kal
sound te chu angil jong khan rom kal dona wang khan chu wang chung kal tang zung zung thin ta transverse wave lo ni ta ni chu ani lo chung a soi thui du tum don ni ka
don break lo bang okay
find maximum kinetic energy
ti zoi ngo hei e chu kan bel ve khop pin ka ria 5 plus kinetic energy kan nei thina kinetic energy is equal to kan te e chu hf tin kan zit hei kan lang phei chu minus ron tonga h f not ani maya h komuna kan langa f minus Einstein na aron fi na equation kan ya moi mm kha 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 chuan f value pani te ki incident light hi 8 ani ta 10 to the power 14 ve vel ani zui chu wang chuan in minus taila 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 14 heta pon en taula an number hin ang lo thua a 10 to the power vel ke vacho boi ngai lo multiply taila 2 6 are 12 2 6 are 13 ti bor vel chu do na 132 a power a boi ngai lo malom ti ti ka me zoni ti ti kem
oi ti zero da til me
shalo choose ti du mel
ai po ti lo oi ti tu na ha
hey de Broglie wavelength ron se de Broglie wavelength chu en chinang h by mv tin kan je thene kha hp laptop kan the h by p te po kan je kha chuan entai la same velocity ai constant dona h a constant na lambda is inversely proportional to m nei lian piang in wavelength an nei te dona hey m lian piang in wavelength an nei te don tunge mass lian ber an jinga hian in la them alpha particles yes 4 times mass of proton ni khatro proton le neutron chun zat deu thua ka beta khi inge ni ve thung electron ani kha ro electron mass chu tel tu chu wan chon alpha particle an zinga hian a lian bera a wavelength hi ate ber don ni minimum wavelength min zo awangin alpha particle answer cha tigam lam poi chu chang lai ti dikang mula okay energy required to excite an hydrogen atom from energy kan ma moza khanita del e ti te pon an soi ta mai tai la change in energy kan me 13.6 chuan atom pakhat chung chania z kha ziangai lo 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 3 square ni dona hai sim kan langa 13.6 into 8 by 9 mo ezang chok ngo multiply chuna ngo 86 are 48
thì giống như định mình thôi
nghe parity thấy mẹ
Pakariti đâu thế kia nó sang chỗ can energy level diagram phim các anh xem can ground state n is equal to 1 này ta em cần gì cả n is equal to 1 the ground state là cho energy này ra ka minus 13.6 electron volt kan ni na cho nó đột lệ chia hiện hay hi tiếng hi formula các anh này về ta phim
chi am patro
13.6 divided by n square các anh này ta chú bằng cho nó đột lệ cho
4 in divide
4 or 5 well nhỉ approximately 3 point something 3.4 mo 3.4 minus 3.4 luôn đó na thì số nó đốt lệ chuyên nghe đâu ta ngân thì số minus divided by 9 1 point minus 1 point 1 something này đó na 1 2 thì mình minus 1.12 something đó na số khơi ang nghe
difference
1 lệ 3 anh ấy số sar gì ang chỉ hiện delta is so and difference khá là mấy tay là
13.6 minus the top
13.6 minus 1.12 ninga 12 something to 12 ngai don
or ve hey lo divide pe pona chu don thawa tuna sari run zia I Bohr's frequency condition ani kha
elai thei la ula ni ngai
zotro hala refreshment e khan ron ngai thave thei to em kim mi mo binding energy of nucleus hey chu formula pa ngai kan ni maya mass defect mc square ani chuan hei amu ang zonga min pek chuan in c square này kan multiply in electron volt akan convert dok chuan in del m into 931.5 mega electron volt ang kha kan zik thei bok ni kha mass defect chu 0.02 ani 931.5 ta pom phakariti chole lokang number in ang lo vek a decimal point ka boy don lo 2 in ka multiply ang 29 are 18 borvel khan ngal me ya chuak mal in multiply chu ve kame ving lutuk
tay mà
fusion ni te ki enga tinge fusion a thlen thei kan ti kha very high temperature baka pressure some mm mai ni
soi bel lawang
hala kan se ri du don tum lai pe chu so Strait of Hormuz vela nuclear reactor thum ten ri da zoi to den tat soi lawang kha chu
soi thui lawang em tay le no pi tay pe mo eng bolom se kan tia a charge nei za ta chu eng tik lai point neutral ani thinin negative type ani positive type mo bolom
type in negative mo lau ti sui ase tik lawa
neutral ani thin ni class an sai kha ta point na no unbiased PN junction holes diffuses from p region to n ani ta holes ta kha p tangin n laman kal ni hei hi kan PN junction chu ni ta tama holes an trewani chung holes ta chu n laman diffuse aron ti ta question a chu eng nge explain
wangin nge a diffusion khen dikha
diffusion tension film ka chu concentration wangani ti kha kan thina concentration in an lo wang khan ta ma se tuna hian a kalna lam hian ta ula holes zo ki n lama kala chu wang chuanin higher concentration of p region higher hole concentration in the p region ka alo ni nge don ta ni chu hena concentration tam wang khan assertion kan na an question pattern kan an thaka assertion reason ka question panga an bela law
hey che related ve de pol tak chuni pani related among tro
a body is momentarily at rest at the instant if it's reversed the direction na tita adik chi je han ngai tu ta la ka chana tam zong yen tro nung lama let le thu tu da la tlan lai reng tlan pa in ka in her thei lo wa tro ka din ve de le ka ti chun ka in her kha lo ngai thin da chu wang chu ni won na ki ju dik chi chia a ki ju dik chi chia R can invert. A body cannot have acceleration if its velocity is 0 at a given instant of time. Matita, masehan ngay tu tawla hay kavora, nga tingeron tlak le chin. Grace nga tingeron tlak le.
Gravity.
Gravity vang. Ani le aron tlak ma chun nga.
Chumi
ma chun nga ting chin. Ahan ding zoi ni dro, ahan ding zoi ron. A ding zoi lai kan acceleration om lo mi.
Nai lo ve.
Gravity ka lo ring lo
dro. Sa lai han helai sang om lai pakan gravity
acceleration ka tu lo om ring ani. Tin simple harmonic motion ting ngai tu point a in thena pipu a mi then reng reng point thena atop awa ding photaron le le thin dro virtual pop mai lo ka tiang do he khani ta chu wang chon r hi chu a dik lawa ani chon a dika r dik lo ni. The assertion is true but the reason is false kan ti thei ni chu.
A is truth.
Truth ka ti thaya truth mo. Dikhan
kan break lo kan lo te.
With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love. ILA, empower willing minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. Through academic excellence, we'll lead the way. Empowering hearts with knowledge every day. From classrooms to communities, we'll make a change. With academic rigor and a heart that ranges. From coast to coast, we'll stone some pride and our people's future. IRA, empowering minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. So academic excellence, you lead the way. Empowering hearts, with knowledge every day. ILA, where curiosity meets innovation, building a brighter future with education. ILA, ennobling minds. With love and compassion, you'll shine. So academic excellence, you lead the way. Empowering hearts with knowledge every day.
Kan lo kir le ta hai.
Kira ta next question and ngala ulen close mo
Thasika mintilum.
line mintilum
Aswiti ka din.
chiang ani ano thasik line ton son na
This is
su
truth.
thuam tat lo true san ya ka chu air is a bad conductor of heat aron dia
adik phota
explain
explain
explain lo chang ngai to han ngai tu toila ulen close kan ha shim ulen close shim ma chun air gap kha tam thin em
air pocket
air pockets kan ti thina khang pockets ning khang kha ani ve ni enge mai tak ning kha a ming a specific tak kha khre to lo ka ti ang kha kami wangan khata han heat kha trap na sa thei em kan tak sa tanga heat chu wa chu wanga min ti lum ber po chuin ta explain ta ni zo
ani chunin ti zo hian sang ngai to chin te ako ta lampang khi ani che lo air trap wang zo khania kan lum chan chu chunin kor cha zong in angreng pakhat top hak ai chuanin pahni hak thua kha alum zo achan chuin kara air kha oma air chepa chu chuanin ati chuak thelo kan taksa tanga lum chuak tu kha bed conductor ni wang han a hin fia both are true correct explanation b
mo n into is not
okay sorry so change to
kimo
larger dry cell has higher EMF ngai dan
higher EMF adia
hey mo sir EMF a chemical composition akai
composition ai ngat to ba pakhat lien deuh lo nei daila syntax ang pon ngai tu daila syntax lien deuh le tero te ngai daila ma se tui kha an nei zat khain ang che ta se pakhata chon ting chen ve khain dona pakhata chon ting chen ve te deuh so ko wangin pressure khain ang le che dona chu wang chen a chemical
chemistry top to tai chu wang chuanin helai chuanin EMF runner chu a chemical chemical nge man ti khai ngata ni alen len lo lampang ai ma in chuanin a size
dimension ai ngat lo shima kan che tu chu
EMF of dry cell is proportional to its size a size chu capacity chau hi a shifta EMF value tui nge kan da petrol nge kan da kami a quality kami shil fia lawa chu wang chuan size sa hin chuan ngat lo ni
ka ngai dan chuan hei chu a ki dik lo r po ki a dik lo ga ti ni
capacity dan ni ve thoem capacity bang hong don lo size chuan chu wang chuan an dik lo ve ve tiang
dik lo ve kan tiang
du le hayon technical lang ron how me ro se
okay moving a charge whether stationary or in motion produces magnetic field hell no draw chan chu
a om me
stationary ni chuan
enge charge siam tu kha a om me line charge om me chuan enge siam tu eng fit nge om a charge om len le chuan eng fit nge as om thin electric charge electric field
ni le constant velocity a chet khan constant speed ani khan electric
field baga
magnetic field siam dro ni le accelerate thut khan electromagnetic
EM wave current siam thing ni ka tro
ani chon hei chu dik lo
re sao min magnetic field siam ber lo this is false
moving charge produce only electric field in the surrounding hey poi dik lo
only electric field ti kan soi zo chia
both are false ani
last draw
objective lens top na ber kan saya controversial view mai thaya objective lens le eye lens khan te microscope objective le eye lens te kha kan khak thenga telescope angin na thokani ron dia a tele tu ni ma sa jon microscope rang chu an tele tu an lens phei kha tele zuala ni an om dan ta ka chuan eye lens ka chu lian jok te meu mai khi ga interchange chuan telescope diagram ang che che ka chu ron chhuak ani amai ro chu hei hi small
focal length
small ka sin dona small focal length nei thina hei po hian small focal length nei a aperture po ate ve ni a aperture po ma se telescope a chuan nge kan mo thin small focal length and large focal length and large focal length and small kasi tak thang zel chu small focal length large aperture mo kiki telescope adon kam mo thina wangin hei hi chu light ma chuan adik che lo ni khiting ka interchange wa ru khen telescope angin na thok tur ni lo ani lo dawa chan chu focal length ki tel tu ba
light a capture
tel tu ga tin light lu ta kha claim ni tu ka chu wang chuan in RCN nan mang tai la intensity kha a claim don ni do kan mu tham don lo dina kha ni mai ta chu wang chuan a khi dik lawa r khen ve objective lens of telescope has small focal length
large focal length circle.
Large focal. Kasi sulam ni kay maso.
Large focal length, large aperture.
Large focal length and small aperture. Nay, tu ni. Okay. Kasi tak
Small
sensor
aperture. Okay.
Hindi ko lang kaya katini kay Juan.
Aperture po kilin tu. Chun ni.
Ani aperture kay Juan curvature kan basoi na may so han ta. Tu wang Juan curvature po kan tiro te ka.
Adar thalang ka alin le.
Adar thalang alin le.
Focal length lien deuh anei thea te tak te chuan heting za che focal length nei kha hemi in ka hi aperture ang han mi don ta large aperture le large focal length kha chu zo ni to lo
Kha zu sa na ta lo.
small ki dik lo la chu ni dona
False ve. Ani Juan both A and R are false ti hian ngai dan do ni chu. Kila ki chu controversial mai theni assertion like hi khan mi song khan ni ngai ma ni Juan.
le kha zong kha rồi nên là sẽ cho chuan ni
With hearts full of love and minds full of light, we'll shine like stars in the dark of night. We'll learn, we'll grow, we'll rise above. With humanity and kindness, we'll show our love. ILA, empower willing minds. With love and compassion, we'll shine. Through academic excellence, we'll lead the way. Empowering hearts with knowledge every day. From classrooms to communities, we'll make a change. With academic rigor and a heart that ranges.